Wake up, take a breath. Long life. Your madam is a death. Good morning. As me come on, you know, come on. What I deal with? Feel like I want to come on early this morning. Wake up, take a breath. Wagwan case. When I cook soup today, or when I do. I say, yo, Spice, now wake up yet. Yo, Spice have me out the road last night and stressed me out. Yo, God no. Can't do that woman there. Have me out the road last night, whole day, whole night. Yo, God no. And when me do that woman there in her life, how she not leave me alone? You know what say? Me see the video where the girl stab her baby father, see? And then me see the video where she come and explain why she stab him. And me just say, God no. You see, people, you never know somebody until you know them here. I don't know what go on in them life. What peel it there? I just buy patty and cocoa bread for peel it. Shit about. Everybody could. Okay. So there was a video that got viral 2 days ago where a baby mother and a baby father was having a conversation. It wasn't even an altercation. See? And the man asked her kindly to leave him yard because I was in mother place. See? Because I guess them have a court matter going on where I guess them a try get custody of the child. She want the child, the man want the child. All of a sudden in the video, I just so when time the man hold him neck and be blood and she run off. See? I never see where him push her, I never see when him thump her, I never see when him elbow her, I never see none of that. So when she reach home a fair yard now, she say the man was abusing her long time and the man a stalk her and the man a do all of them something. But in the video, she say her child went to his family's house. And when the child went to his family's house, on a couple occasions when the child come back with blood in her panty. So, show me have a little bit of sense. Like I try to use the little 2 cents what I have. And I say, your child came back home and blood in your child panty. And you don't report it to the station. And you say it's been happening 2.5, 3 years now. Right? And I know the police is not aware of this. See? 2.5 years, near 3 years, this happened. And you all know you not report it to the police. Is when you stab the man. Because when we watch the video first, You never say to the man, say, "Una molest my daughter up here, una this, una that." I never hear you say nothing like that. But all of a sudden now you stop the man. And this year use. This year use and you tell people say blood run through you and you add enough and you this and you that and you that. And in no way at farm at all, me never see the man did a act violent towards you nor nothing. Remember this, for both parents' sake, anybody who have children and go through a custody battle. If you feel like your child is getting abused in any way, form at all, report it. Because you don't live certain life already. And the man supposed to live certain life already. So we have to spare the child and make the child can be able to live some good life. And when a child comes into the earth, the child is supposed to be well protected by both factions or whatever you want to call it. Both parents should have a responsibility to have this child well-being at hand. Them say you're not supposed to quick for jump for believe one side. But me just attack the side where me see and where me believe should have happened. If a father feel like his child is being abused, carry your child to the doctor and get proof. If a mother feel like her child is being abused, carry the child to the doctor. And when you take, you will not even have to call the police because it's the clinic, the hospital, the doctor place, anywhere at all. It's their duty to call the police. Because this child has been mistreated, this child has been abused. So you don't even have to take the child. You don't even have to carry the child to the station. The doctor them will carry the child and call police and them will come and take it over. Right? But this does show me how toxic some people is relationship-wise. Them toxic, bad. And then most of the time the man always be the aggressor, but on this, because the man talk to her and I say the child is not being armed. So why you come here and talk about the child this and the child that? Let we go through the court. Any man where molest a child, nah go tell us say make it go through the court. Or if him family them a molest child, him go try him best to calm it down and hold it down. Him go hide it and don't want nobody to know. Because he don't want shame. And him are the one where I tell her say make the court deal with it. And she stabbed him right in front of his mother. She could have killed him in front of his mother. She could have killed him in front of his mother. Because a right for his neck she aimed for. Right for his neck. She aimed for his neck and stabbed him. Whatever she used, she stabbed him in his neck. If it was a bigger object, probably him not there today. He would have dead. You understand? Remember him turning back towards her, you know. And she did done plans that she had to do him, but she had to do and she had drink her boom, whatever she had drink the boom with. Whatever she was drinking the boom with, because the boom in a black bottle, we don't know why it's in there. See? And she stabbed him. Me now go come out here and come cuss her and tarnish her and whatever, because she have her own crosses where she will deal with. That's what we see on internet we can talk about. And nobody can come tell you if you love with business, because if you did never put it out there, we couldn't see it. The man, him even post it because we couldn't see half him phone. See? So now she has been charged with unlawful wounding. Police lock her up after she do the life there. And I say, oh, the man this and the man that. And police now help her, which we know say, not go so. Not go so. See? But all me I say to you is, we never know who we are get pregnant. We never know who we are get involved with. We never know. We never know. See? We never know. So, we're not going to even hear about that story again because at Jamaica this every day something happen. Every day something happen. So we're not going to even hear nothing much about it. And we not going to know what go on with the child. If the father come out and come talk, we hear, because I guess that video that will go back viral again. See? So we not going to know what go on. So, I could see how it work out. But watch this. Enough people not realize what go on in Jamaica. Yeah. The young people, them nowadays, with the boy, quite a few of them. I don't know if a majority or minority, but quite a few of them are on jobs. Right? And the amount of jobs where them are take right now, we soon start see some of them just strip naked on camera and go on with some whole heap of things. We soon see some things are go on where it's not a surprise when we see it. It's not supposed to surprise we when we see it, because we see it, it take time, I take it course. See? So them say Mali are the new drugs now where around the place. Them put out an article about it yesterday and I read it. Them say when you take the Mali give you a different eye. See? It make you go on with some things and then tomorrow you remember say you do all of them something here. See in my side? Them a do it already. But we don't see them video there yet. Some whole heap of things are going boy. This is why I want to tell no found parents. Parents of young teenagers. Try to sit down with your kids them. Don't bother come talk about make sure you not do this and make sure you not do that. Because if you ever try to war with them and say make sure you not do this and that, that's still not going to go nowhere. You have to sit down with the youth them and tell them to try to be leaders and not followers. Because a lot of these children nowadays, them a look somebody to lead them. And who will lead them, want somebody lead them themselves. Long time I teach my youth, them say, it's okay to stand out and not fit in. Because people used to tell us, say, you must try 15, you have to try 15. Because remember, you know, we see them have gathering at school. We see them have cult at school. We see them have gay party at school. We see them have all type of things going in the school. The same school where you send your child for a couple of hours. Because when your child have a couple of hours with you, he have more time on the street. More than what you have with him. See? So, I now go say the parents is to blame totally. But enough of no parents who no are the one who cause enough of them things with the youth them, because you don't grow them up and love vanity. You don't grow up the youth them and love things. You don't make them grow up to have morals and pride and dignity. You don't teach them nothing about self-love and self-care. You don't teach them something. They want to teach them about brand. A brand you don't teach them about. I never forgot me go to England and come back with a bag for Peely. And I bring the bag come for Peely. Peely go to school with the bag. And the next get them time the Peely in about 3 grade. And Peely go come home and tell me, say, a little girl see her with her bag and say her bag is not brand. Our bag is not brand. The bag there is not brand. After a brand bag that. Remember, 3 grade. This is 3 grade, you know. Right? Peely was about 7, 8 them time there. Or 6, one of them age there. Don't ever remember. But me never forgot it. So if them little kids there go to school, and I look upon other little youth and I say feed them thing on a brand. Now must the big people them instill that in them. And now it's even more worse now. Remember gone were the days when the youth them used to sit down and watch Peppa Pig. Now them and them mama sit down and watch dance. And I watch Ensure Challenge. And I watch all of this. Because the mama don't know say you have to separate your dirty grassmite life and be a mother first. Be a grassmite when you're there on your dirty grassmite friend them. Right? Be a termite round them. and the dirty pooper them. Be a drunk around your dirty friend them. And be a father when you're around your youth. If you smoke weed, not smoke weed around the youth. Have the youth run a one part. See? If you go on with a little nasty, dirty life, do it run a one part. Shield the youth from certain things. But no, everything on in a mix up the pitney in a mix up too. Only in a nastiness, the pitney in a nastiness too. See? That generation you know, I know who did do it, you know. But because as what I said, you make them a follow. You make them a follow. Because true enough you have some family are foreign. No found have some family are foreign and no family send beer brand come go no here a pastel and Abercrombie and Finch and all of them something there. When your family goes Sabama and send all Navy come, when you say all Navy a cheap brand. Because when you used to the other bigger brand them. And that you now watch. Because when I watch the other brand them and I watch this. First thing, when you go Sabama and the pitney reach a certain age, you start bring the pitney them and dress them up like you know. You just like ore and just the pitney like ore. And that's how not twin. Zine? And a generation of them have 10 years and 15 years to get all of the crosses and add more to it. So now we have a lot of addicts now in our young people. Them a pop Mali. Can remember when time them a sing about the date rape job. Remember, you know, before them start sing about Mali and Jamaica, you know, them a sing about Percocet of foreign in the hip hop them, you know, in the rap music them, you know. Remember me know say Old Navy a big brand. I know this. But true it not expensive because you can get a $2 shirt when them dey on sale and you can get a $5 and a $10 pants and them something. Remember we know Old Navy go. You understand? But me just put it around a Old Navy side for just show you how it go. Remember, you know, the rappers them in a foreign. Remember Rick Ross did a sing about Mali saying put Mali in a girl drink. Remember Rick Ross did a sing about that. And the youth them, I listen to the hip hop them. Remember the hip hop song them play upon the radio every day. But yet still, society always find a way to turn it around and blame a Jamaican artist. Them don't blame the rapper them. We are play upon the radio 24/7 because remember them play more hip hop upon the radio than anywhere else. Zine? And remember say the youth them now have more open-minded social media when they have no censorship. Because there's no censorship on social media, man. Post him song, or him have him Vivo channel and him go over it and a man just go listen it and whole day him a listen. All of this. I just say them go so look on a girl page and see a rock band. A white rock band. There they a play on a girl. Because remember, I not to watch people's status. I'm look on the girl's status and member say, me see one of the band member with film guitar. And he might have sex with a girl on the stage. And be people that just a jump up and a go on. Remember, I have sex with the girl on the stage. Live, naked, two of them naked. Zine, and it come like nothing, and the people just a jump and a go on, and the band a play, and the whole of the something a go on. And nobody all know them on the stage. It's the young people. So we don't know if them youth sit down and watch them white band, rock band. You can't remember, you know. Nobody has control over what them children watch. Nobody has control over what their kids watch. Because again, you say you have a monitor on your child phone. And next parents don't share the same sentiment. Allow him, make him say whatever him say. I it bring him come here. And this and that. I it bring her come here. Allow her make you see it and re. Right? Alright. So somebody just said TikTok is a part of the problem there too. Let me not tell people this, man. Remember social media that same way, you know. Remember everybody and them granny over TikTok, you know. What go on over there? All type of foolishness. A social media same way. Zine, all of them something they do. Everything we are going. And a man tell us, say, yeah man, this a go viral over TikTok, you know. And millions of people view this, you know. People of the world now are worrying about views and likes. Views and likes. Because in our real life, so much people never like them and so much people never view them. But on the social media, they have a big fan base. They have a big fan base. People sit down and worry now. Some big people who are 40 and 50. A TikTok them they act like them are idiot. And they on social media go and let them not have no sense. You understand? So, Caribbean parents, it's not too late for to build some morals in our youth them. Find back for the morals and try instill some it in our pitney them. Stop try compete with your son, father of the Caribbean and mothers of the Caribbean. Stop try compete. Stop try to compete with your daughter. You live a life already where you are 45 now and your daughter 25. And you try run competition and try wear some things for your son-in-law see you. You like off your son-in-law. Leave your daughter, because when you did have your bag of man them or your childhood sweetheart or whosoever you have, your daughter was nowhere there to run competition with you. Life is not a competition. It's not supposed to be like that. You have a wait your turn and you have when a your time. See? You have your time and you have your era. We not gonna like everything we are going now. Me definitely not like this new drugs business where I go on with the youth them just take all kind of drugs, forget a eye. Me no need to get a eye. Because my eye naturally. And again, enough people not see the distraction them where I go on. So when the destruction come now, that are when them try say, you know say, and you know say, and you know say. So distraction always lead to destruction. Enough people don't see that. Because remember this, you know, we always see things when it done gone bad. Enough people don't see far. Some people just see right what in front of them. And it have to joke them that them eye for them really see. Because them try blind themselves to it. Them see everything else. Them see every gossip. Them see every gossip. Anything when them gossip, them see it. Them can look on the internet and tell about Meghan and Harry. And tell about everything we're going to England and them never got England yet. But Jamaica right in them yard. Them no see say the manual they want clear out. The drain they want clear. Them no see that. And when it float over now and I run in them house and bag of shit water run and a nasty up and a stink up them place, them I say, Jesus Christ, so this and all that. So if you can see we are England, why you couldn't see right in your yard? Gone were the days we used to sit down. And when we sit down, we hear about dance a yard before you dance abroad. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. See? Remember, you know, you never go to school. I may always preach this. You never finish high school. Try make your youth go high school. Try make your youth further than you. Stop try run competition with your youth. Just so you stop this, so your youth supposed to stop this. So you get pregnant at 15, 14, 12. And you say it's okay for your child to get pregnant at that age too. What kind of set that trend that you have set? What kind of generational curse that you don't want to try broke? A trend that? Is that a trend? Remember, you know, you have some educated people and influential people who follow social media. Enough of them click over my page, some of them follow me. They don't say nothing. You have silent watchers. Because people choose to follow who them want to follow. And many times we're there on social media and we say a whole heap of things. It bad way, but it's best we don't say nothing, because the same people them way you talk for say boy, uplift yourself and defend this and that. Them same one will name you. And say, leave my pitney alone. You see me? So that's why we not try tell nobody how to grow them pitney. And you if you know where you want to grow your pitney, we just talk what we think is right. See, we just talk what we think is right. And I believe say it's the right thing to do. For sit down with a youth and reason. Remember, say them youth nowadays don't want to talk, you know, they don't want you tell them nothing, you know, because the first thing them tell you say you're all, you know. And the first thing that them tell you say you're all, you know. So you Lord, them make them go and go about them foot and broke them neck if them want to broke them neck. But at least they try to reach out and say something to them. Because you see right now, the Jamaica where we live in right now, the Jamaica where me live in right now, a ignorancy, our biggest friend, boy, our enemy. Ignorance and illiteracy are our biggest sparring P. We ignorant and we illiterate with that bad. You will tell somebody good morning, and when you tell them good morning, they say, how are the block? How are you come tell me good morning for? Where you tell me good morning for? Eh? Yes, you don't know good about the morning. Where you tell me good morning for? And them ready for trace you. I remember say, that's how we grow up. You pass somebody, you say good evening, good morning. Excuse me. You walk through the middle of somebody. You walk through the middle of somebody right now, and you go tell them, say, you don't have no manners, and your mama, hey boy, you're dead, you're dead. This is the Jamaica that we are living in right now. You have to be careful how you even try walk past people, because some people are walk with some demon spirit. Some people are walk with some demon spirit. Some demon spirit them are walk with, and you wonder say, how I go on? What me do them? Because remember, you know, you don't have to do people nothing. You don't have to do anyone anything. You don't have to do no one anything. You just live in your life. You just live in your life. We are so materialistic right now in the island of Jamaica. That's people see you with a Benz and they think you have money. Remember, we are now living in a world where you can rent anything, you know. Just like where you can rent a plane to do a photo shoot. Just go in where the plane is and do a photo shoot in the plane. You can rent a Benz and take pictures in it also. You can rent a BMW, you can rent a Range Rover, you can rent whatever you want. Because we are a materialistic country. Perfect example. Sure, we are so full of fashion. Why you think say so much overseas investors coming to Jamaica? So when I hear people say, you know, Chinese are take over this and America are take over this, why you think it happen? The people them come and do a survey. They come to Jamaica and they stay for a while and they do a survey and them realize what the Jamaica diaspora is like, and they look and them say, okay, how the economy look? And they say, the economy, we can make money right there. So money there, because first thing, 30 and 40 ship come here a year time, and how much tourists come here a year time, and them say, okay, so this is a nice tourist place. The beaches are nice there in Jamaica. And they have 14 parishes in Jamaica. So which one of the parishes is the nightlife? So Kingston is the nightlife. A lot of people who come on vacation don't really want the nightlife. So let's take it to the countryside. Which country has a more refreshing ambience, and the atmosphere is nice? Because I saw the people them come do them survey. No, I wouldn't know that. So the people them go to and say, you know what, we're going on an island up. And them up over to Portland and them spend a week in Portland. And them realize that Portland have a quiet something and nature down there, and the whole of it is something nice. And them say, okay, we have Reach Falls and we have this and we have that and we have all kind of something. Portland nice. So them come and them say, okay, we're gonna go to St. Elizabeth. Or if them before them reach St. Elizabeth, them say, alright, we're going to take it that side and go to St. Thomas. And them take that side and go St. Thomas. Then them take back the other side. And them go St. Mary. See? Them go St. Mary. So them tour out the whole of them two parishes because they're near them one another. See? So you take one end to St. Thomas and you take the next end to Port Antonio, St. Mary. See? And you can go to Bama and dig off of one part. See? And you can find yourself back in a Ochi. See? So them go to Bama and them island up and them realize that, okay, I think we're going to set up some shop down here, and them look and survey again where it's for sale. Bam! Them buy a beachfront property and then put in them 5-year plan, and them say, okay, we're going to break ground. So in 3 years time, we're going to build a 21 place where this and that and that. See it? And then build up them thing. While we, the Jamaican, sit down and a buck with foot and a fight in a KFC line. We are fighting a KFC line. So when the people them go to Bama and say we are fighting a KFC line, Them say, oh, so they love KFC. All right, let's see if we can build a next KFC in the town somewhere. Because don't have Portland have one KFC. See it? So let's see if we can get a next KFC right here. And let's see how good Burger King do. Burger King do good, but it don't do good as KFC. Right? So KFC, we need a KFC because people don't have fight over chicken. People don't have fight over chicken. It sounds like a joke, though. Just think about what I say. Just think about what I say, you know, and realize how the people them think. Because you see a man and him just in a one little piece of shorts. And treat me in one little piece of shorts and one slippers, we judge him. Because him now have on Gucci and the big brand now show up on him clothes say Versace. And it now show down in him back say Louis Vuitton with the LV. See? It now show that. So we now pay the man in the mind while the man they just sit down in a KFC with a big deal or even buy one piece. A one piece of chicken with a biscuit and a juice and him take him time. Him not even want it to eat, you know. Him just there in a survey and him a watch. Because this is how investors do. They do surveys. While we worry about brand. We worry about brand. And when time we hear say that man they own that place there, we start cuss. So we never get the opportunity to buy it because we not do no survey. We did not do no survey. We did not. We not do no survey. Many times we Jamaicans see a man in a job top and the top half. Him not know say somebody vehicle him a drive and the man say go and go drive it. Because the man who is rich rather drive in a Nissan. Because he don't want the attention upon him. So him load the man for them and say, yeah man, take out the top off it and him show you if you take out the top. Him don't know say, yeah man, I say we want to see the reaction of people. We don't watch the show them on TV all the while. The rich man acting poor. Eh? The man going to the place and I go like him not have no money. For just watch always the customer service. We don't watch them thing upon news. We don't see it pan. We don't watch the America TV. So we don't know say the whole of the style they come to Jamaica now. And the whole of the style they come to Jamaica now, we know. But again, we don't see it until you hear say some Indian people who own Duns River. Until you hear say nobody from Jamaica no own down a Portland. And then people get up and them start cuss and say the whole country sell out. The whole country sell out. Remember, you know, nobody can change the situation unless you want to change the situation. You have to want to change your situation. So, me is a man who like, big up a man where, probably me is a dreamer, but I wouldn't say dreamer, I would have said a visionary. Because him have big dreams, when envision for say, alright, you know, say in a 5-year time, would I like to have a fleet of taxi. I like to have a fleet of taxi. Remember, say Negril is not a lively place for nightlife certain times of the year. Negril have the bike taxi them and Negril have the pretty beaches and Negril is more about the quiet life. So people who want to relax goes to Negril and them married and them spend time and them just them and them family just enjoy the water and they enjoy our food. They enjoy our food. Remember, say enough people not understand say enough of the things them where they in a mobile airport is not available in Norman Manley Airport. Because more flights go to Mobile than Kingston. And people say, what you mean? They know Kingston are the big hub. Montego Bay is the bigger hub. More people go to Montego Bay. More Europe, more Japan, more China, more everybody go down to Mobile. Because them go relax. Them go Mobile and then leave. Mobile go Negril or you have some little plane where go up on the way name them. You don't notice they have a landing strip down a St. Mary now. Enough people don't even remember that. They not even see that. They have a business about that. Because all the way say we are Kingstonian. All the way say we are Kingstonian. See? All of we say we are Kingstonian. So, information is right there in front of our face. And we don't take the information. We rather take Amari, I show you, or bun up pizza them. See? We rather give Amari 1,000,000 views, laughing and ask her what Amari do. More than sit down and get some information from the country where we live in, have more education and information on what and where the country is going. Seeing enough people get up on them, cuss the prime minister and them, cuss the police and them, cuss this and that. Seeing them cuss all of these people. And you ask them why them cussing. You know, see, them a sell out the country. You know, see, them a this and you know, see, them a that. But you ever pay attention to the smallest little things yet? See, all the while I tell people if you tune into Twins of Twins. And people, through them I look for the joke them say them boring. And them give you the most information boy. And them I give you them thing for years. And them first they tell you say I soon 5 bills for your bread. Remember about 6 or 8 times KFC raised already. See? But when you give people information, let me tell you how information go. Information is right there. See? The information is right there. But show it now. Look flashy. And it has diamonds around it. We don't see it. See? We don't see it. But I just try to tell you this from now. Them soon come for me. Because we done sell already. But my owner not come for me yet. Because them sell me behind my back. See? Them sell me behind my back without my knowledge. So somebody soon come claims me and say, yeah man, I buy you, you know. I buy you. And then again people are going to laugh and say, Richie, you idiot, you know. You must say, man. But when that time they come, that's why you have to make a younger generation put smarts in them head. Portland Paradise say a while ago say, parenting and education is a big part of the information. Zin and Shava, them have a point. How me look upon life? I look upon life like the open ear. I look upon life like a nature. Because a nature we are deal with. See? Nature we are deal with. A lot of us never get to further with education. Or we want further it because a lot of us wanted to go to it. Like all me. I never got high school. Financially, my parents did a struggle at one point. But 9th grade education when I get, I use that and put in the street smarts in it. And the street smarts so me have, I realize say, anyway you put yourself in a position you have to know to take out yourself. And anything when you do, you have to live with the consequence. Because everything is a dynamics, you know. Everything is a dynamic and everything is a art. It's not everything is a genetics. Because you will become a gunman, your son don't have to become a gunman. See? And everybody, kids are going to get them genes. So when people are running a narrative, they are joke. See? Because enough man's son, him a doctor and him son come turn criminal. Enough man a liar. And him son say him no want to be a liar. See? Him want to go do something else. So, you have to allow the youth them, make the youth them go and do what them a do, as long as it will benefit them in the long run. Illegal activities, some people just come like say, them born for thief. Like me couldn't be a thief. And me tell a man say me couldn't be a gunman because being a gunman is a whole heap it take out of you. See? So anybody where you see go turn gunman, come like say a ban them ban for turn gunman. I'm going to explain that right now. You're a gunman. You have to run from police. Because police are going to end up know you. Bad man are going to end up know you. So you have two enemies from bad man and police. Because the police is not your friend. And the enemy of the next bad man is not your friend. See? You have to know where you have to sleep. You can't trust a woman. The girl where you sleep with at night time, you don't know. If she are going to betray you. See? You have to bleach if police are come. You have to bleach if gunman are come. No, you have your gun and you have to make sure it's a shot in your gun. And if you're a bad man, you have to have your own gun. You can't have a next man gun because if police hold you, them are going to want back to pay for the gun. So, anybody where you see I live that life there, I ban them ban for do it. Remember me is a man where I love sleep, you know. Because remember so when you sleep, them say you have to catch your beauty sleep, you know. See? And you have to take some whole heap of drugs and drink all kind of alcohol to make yourself active, if you can't run. You have to go sleep in a bush because I mean I hide from my enemy. I have my rifle. And I say me I hide from my enemy. And two mosquito bite me up and me slap my skin so. The enemy are going to know say me over this and kill me. So me not going to live long in a badness. See? Me a feel in a bush, me a feel in a dirty water, me a feel in all kind of thing, me a feel jump fence, jump over precipice, me a feel do all kind of thing because remember, nobody not take on the police because the police are coming at tens and thousands, you know. See? Two tools are Richie that with a rifle at one place, a boxer. See me a boxer. And me a rifle. But them me not go drop on rifle, I go drop and them will kill me. Because me can't hold it. And you have to do this night after night after night after night after night after night. And one thing me know, nobody no better than sleep. So anybody who you see take up that and say a badness them a deal with. And that them want to do for true. See? So everything is not a genetics. It's a dynamics. See? You have to mentally train for do all of them something. Yeah. Like to be a selector. It look like it's easy to be a selector because you can't just go talk to foolish. But I saw it go for entertain a crowd. You have to ban for entertain a crowd for more than 15 minutes. Because remember, if you are alone upon the party, you have to entertain them people. You have to, say for instance, you are warm the dance and you are warm the dance and you are waiting him there. You are going to end the dance and you are alone. See? So the dynamics of how you read the crowd. You know just go play. Nobody not in there yet and you want to go play the artist song. You have to know if you build the dance, come up. So the dynamics. Moscato boss, me not even talk about the jail part yet. Remember, me not talk about the jail part yet. That part there one dangerous part because you go buck up all your enemy down there too. You go buck up your enemy and when you buck up your enemy, him a film friend them in there and then you and him go buck up in a cell and then beat you to frazzle. See? So me I say people, enough people who don't know what to say, sit down and breed up and enough of one and them they pan same age and see them nah look for better them life. If you try to talk to them and you see them nah try change, you have to change yourself from them. And when you change yourself from them, you will better off because trust me, you see the energy where them I bring, it will end up and come off and hold you back in life. See? It will hold you back in life. Because you have some people that travel with some dirty demon spirit. Yeah, tell you. They want to travel with some dirty demon spirit. Because remember, you know, yes, me and you used to party when we were young and we used to do some things and we are do road and we are going. But I am older now. I cannot afford to do road like we used to when we were young and wild and free. Now we grow and have responsibilities now. We have to put the responsibilities first. We have to put our responsibilities first now. We have to pay rent. We have to pay light. We have to pay all of these utilities. We can't just say, oh, we not do that, you know. I want to, hey, yo, we not pay this, bridge the light, this and that. At some point, you have to stop do the things that you used to do. Things that you used to do at 20, you cannot do when you are 30. Things that you used to do at 25, you cannot do when you are 38. You cannot do that. So we have to sit down and a think. Because I remember say, people have this saying with them say, yo, you get cool up, man. You get cool up. When you get so cool up. We're not cool up. We just realize, say, we used to do some things where a different thing we should have do when we do that. But remember, we never have nobody who sit down and guide we and tell us if enough to do that. It's like when we did little. My grandparents used to tell me, say, stay in the yard. The same thing that you see outside yesterday, it's the same when I go out there today. And me I say, I want your grandfather and granny. We have to out there. And when them lock you up in the house, we still find the key. And when we know say we are going to get beat, we still going out the same way. But now we get big. When we get big now, we just say, wow, shit. You know, say my granny did tell me this, and I never believe. See? So you see the one them we go Sabaman out there and try run competition with what go on now. Them they are the one where them don't know when to give it up. But them body are going to give way upon them and them are going to force to give it up. Let me tell you something. One of the most important things in life is your health. Your health. Once you have your health, you will have the strength. And when you have the strength and the health, you do anything that is possible. I mean, now I'm going to stop telling you. When you're sick and go to the doctor, or you admit, a pure taste bad soup you get, not even dumpling you can't get in there, a soup you get. Soup. And when them give you some food down at the hospital, God bless what you get. Because if you think, say, you're going to resort, and you're going to get salmon, and you're going to get shrimp, and you're going to get all of that, you're going to get a piece of roll-up dumpling, and you're going to get 1.5 banana, not even yam, you're not going to get. And you could have cussed. Your family could have want to see you and can't see you. And worse, if you can't go to the bathroom by yourself, them are going to put on a pampas on you. And you never used to normally piss up yourself. And you never used to shit up yourself. And none of them something there. And you have to do that. It's like you turn back baby again. So you have to protect your health. You have to protect your health. Take care of yourself while you can take care of yourself. Some are not busy and sit down and try to take care of everybody and not take care of yourself. Me used to try to save the world. I don't need that shit. I'm done with that. Me used to try to save the world. Because at some point you have to realize, say, I can't do this. You look on the last $10,000 or the last $15,000 and somebody I beg you $5,000 out of it. And you have a bill for $14,500. And you have to go pay $60 for pay that $14,500 there. So you have to have $430 leave. Out of that $15,000. And somebody beg you $5,000. And you normally would have give them. You have to think about it. Remember, you know, you have to pay this bill for yourself, you know. You have to pay this bill for yourself. Because if you don't pay this bill, the light man will cut off your light for $500. The water man will cut off your light with your water for $500. Did you say now go ask you say, Ray, because they made that warn you, and I say you have this 72 hours to pay this. Your bill is due in 48 hours. Your bill is now due. And then go from your bill is now due to your bill is overdue. And they're going to disconnect you in the next 24 hours. Them are telling you the whole of this. So what you're going to do? Give that person the $5,000. Short your one. Put yourself in a crisis and problem. Just because you try to look good to people or you have a good heart. Or you have a good heart. Eh? So such who your heart good. You go just make them nyam don't make beer worm eat out your heart. And I left your heart string alone. And the other people them heart well strong. You see how simple me put it. Because enough how we do it already. Enough how we do it. Enough how we do it already. Enough how we do it. And when we look back on it, we say, that was stupid of me. How silly of you, Richie. Why would you do that? Because we look good name. You know, say a beer gone too soon, them give good people. R.I.P. You know, say a peer that them give them. Sorry for you, a good youth, you know, man. A good girl, you know. I know nothing if you hold back for better yourself. You owe it to yourself to take care of yourself. Nobody can take care of you. I mean, I tell you something about relationship now, because action speak louder than word. A whole heap of you are saying that who's in a relationship. Oh, I'm in a relationship and yes, she treats me well or he treats me well. Vice versa. But when I use some basic stuff and I say people treat you well. The person that you are with, how far are you willing to go with this person? Because trust me, a relationship is very hard work. It takes a lot of time and patience. Some whole heap of things that go on. Some words can be said. One person can say some things and show you way back down in one place. And get you so angry. Insecurities is a big, it play a major role in a relationship. And when you as a man or a woman have to sit down and deal with insecurity, it's hard. Or when you know you do the right thing, it's hard. So the next person I feel look and I say, may I do the whole of this? Because me said my inner myself said worth it. Right? But when the next person only look on one side and now look on everything, it's hard. A whole heap of people let insecurity make them lose a good person. Them lose a good man or them lose a good woman. A whole heap of people. A whole heap of people. And if you're in a relationship and you say you love that person, yeah, and 24 hours can pass, and 48 hours can pass, and the same person you will say them can't live without you. 24 hours pass, 48 hours pass, 72 hours pass. And them a live. You have to do re-evaluation. Because I kind of learn. Because to me, did young one time, you know. So I did young and naive. Wherein, just I say, I want to, I don't need people and rare, this and that. Yes, when I did younger, enough things me do. So if you want to chat to me, chat to me. If you don't want to chat to me, chat to me. But when I get older now, I realize, say, yo, If me and you in a relationship and I say I love you, and I love you, and I know, say, because everybody know when them love somebody. Like, and them know. Say you love that person there, you in love with that person there. You want to talk to them every second. Everything what them do. It a joy to you. Enough people they really experience that it. When you don't experience it, you're not going to understand when I talk. No care where you hear someone talk about, yo, I'm here, them girl, they a bitch. Rare, this and that and that. Him same one hide and talk to that bitch there. Him same one end up on that bitch they turn him baby mother. Married him and married it. And if him ever see she talk to another man, him want kill the man. Because him so know same love that bitch. Man show emotions different. While a woman should try hide her emotion and try hide everything. But when time she ready to show out. Like for instance, you hear them love tell us some people mean. People might mean to you, but them kind to somebody else. Zine? People might mean to you, but them kind to somebody else. You know? Enough people them say mean. People say me mean. Because through them used to you as a giver, them open them mouth, so you stretch out and give them. Everybody have who them kind to. Nobody no mean. They mean to you, but them no mean to everybody. See? And enough people in them toxic relationship. But I say, if you say you're in love with a person and you love them and you and them have a falling out or whatever, somebody have to be the bigger person and fix it. But if you always be the bigger person, you have to give them time to come be the bigger person now. Because people do get tired. And people always expect say you feel always do and you feel always do and nasty say them fear do too. Because nothing in life nothing go one way. It's supposed to go a partnership. Enough people know in a relationship. A man has sex them and them say the man can sex good. And the man buy them food and the man to them ear or the man buy them a shoes. See? Because some people judge and say man love them, you know. Because man buy them this and man buy them that. They say if a man willing to go through all kind of crosses with you, and if a woman willing to dead with you when not nah, go on and sit down with you and you have all your boxers them and your boxers them full of hole and you want some new boxers and she know. And she a plan to buy you 2 new boxers but she still a watch the old one them. You have to look on she as a real rascal G. You have to look on she as a real G. She never frowns up yet when time she a watch you tear up Marina them. Your pants scratches tear. See? And she never frowns one day yet. She never frowns one day yet. You have to look on she as a different type of woman. Because remember saying, you know, enough of we out the road, you know. Enough of we out the road, you know. A chase. Some girl where we seen at some club, you know. And I seen at some restaurant and we see them on the internet and we say them girl look good. And if we ever see how some of them girl live, we da cherish the woman where we have more. Because that's why I stay like how I stay, you know. I can't give her something for me, I know something about, you know. Me that man, me observe, you know. Because remember many times we as people, man and woman do the same thing. We look at something in front and we say this look good. And meanwhile we have something we're great. And when it gone and now come back. Remember so people have to take time and look out and know what them have and fear to lose it. But when you fear to lose it, the same person for fear to lose you too. 2 people have to fear to lose them one another. So they are going to try them best to love them one another. And we not talk about no toxicness. We not talk about that. We not talk about dirty girl, stinking girl, worrying girl, nasty girl, dirty boy and one bag of tracing on the internet, one bag of rare back and forth and then 2 twos. See the 2 away, hug up and nobody want to see us together. And at the end of the day, he loves me and he's not going anywhere. So it's like do things for the internet. We have to know what we sacrifice for. And me as a man, me know, because I go through them something here. You're there with that person and you do everything and you make all of the sacrifice and that person never sacrificed $2 for you yet. That person never sacrificed $2 for you yet. And you see how cheap me put it. Panadol. Panadol, me put it in now. Panadol. So, may I tell you this as man and woman. If you have somebody and a person there, I work with you, and everything you do, you see the support. Because remember, enough we have 3 and 4 women. You have to take a time as a man and sit down and say, so, may have 3 and 4 women. What is them 4 women? Your purpose? Because what you going to say? She give a good head, and she stuck it with the insure, and that you just think about all the while, the sex or sex alone. So after sex done, what you have? After sex done, what do you have after sex is finished? Do you have anything else? You know much people in a relationship, like, I see a girl put up. She's talking to this guy over 3 months now. And it takes her to his house, and she has never been upstairs in the bedroom. He has sex with her on the couch. He has sex with her on the couch and never invite her to the bedroom. And anytime, and she does not sleep over. When they are finished, he takes her home. And he treats me well. But I want to know. And he always tell me that my coochie is good. He always tell me that my coochie is good. And we talk for hours on the phone. But he still hasn't taken me to his bedroom. And she now looking at herself and I say, the man have a woman. And the man now bring you in the bedroom where him and him woman sleep. Because some man will do it. Yes, him bring you in the house, but in the chair him bring you. And you now look and see that. You have a next one. This man, I see that one day, where one day I tell her, say, she's with this guy. And every time they have sex, he's in his car. He drives a nice car. He always has snacks in the car, and he has liquor in the car, and he has this in the car. I never seen any clothes in the car. He's never taken me to his house. He always park up outside of his house. He parks outside of his house. He parks outside of the house. And I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to feel, but he said he's always on the go. Somehow no girl, no well want go people yard. No well want go people yard. I want to put out them thing up on the internet for me to say, you know what, say me have a good woman. I mean, know this, you know. See? Know this. So I like me have to judge and watch, but I realize say a whole heap of girl out the way. You will drive a nice car and you get front. Yeah, man. A girl will like you for your rim. The things them where people say them like man say them like woman for nowadays, you have to just laugh. Man say, yo, me like how our Bridget look on her foot. The girl look good because I like our Bridget on her foot. I see her in our Bridget and him know much for the Bridget, but him want to tell somebody, say, a Bridget my girl wear, you know. Like our next girl will say, a beer Clarks my man wear, you know. Peer Clarks my man wear. And she tell everybody, say, a beer Clarks our man wear. So that man the way now him look at slippers, him push to slippers like. You know, think. And she said that man, yeah. We have to wise in our flesh, people. If you have a good person in your life, show them say at them you deal with. And if you say you love your man or you love your woman, you're not supposed to go to your bed and wake up back angry at that person. Yeah. You're supposed to call them or text them or whatever and find out, because the two people make things work, you know. See? Some people in a relationship, because other person they pay them bills. So them not try set up themselves to pay them own bills. Them not try set themselves to pay them own bills. them want a person you constantly pay them own bills. So when that person get fed up of paying the bills, because when life is one-sided, a man will look in at himself and say, what may I do with that woman here? Because I take care of she for so long and she have never used the initiative to buy me a water. She have never done nothing like this. She have not treated me as a man. All she has to offer me is front. And every time she always telling me that her front is good. And show me a big man, me know say front and my problem, because you can't go buy front. Remember girl on the internet a sell front. You know if you got a back road, you can meet up a girl on the internet because them show you them a sell front. So you willing to meet them up and carry them which way you want, carry them and you get front. So front and nothing. Woman fi stop tell man about front. You have to put more value for yourself now. See, the man not good at writing things. The man not good at writing things. You supposed to come feeling because you're good at writing things. You can write how much letters in how much seconds. You can write how much letters. So you supposed to help him this so. Because enough people, you know, them there with a person and them can't have a conversation with the person. If you are there with a man, and you can't have a conversation with that man. Every time you try to bring up certain things about life, I'm going to tell you, say, him can't deal with that right now. But when time when you sit down and not talk about sex, and he might tell you, say, him want to try this, and him want to try that, and him want to spit in your mouth, and him want to do this, and him want to do that. Like the conversation just flowing, and yeah, man, and he must send your videos off of the internet, and he must send your videos off of IG, and somebody send him a video and him in a one freaky group and he must send you all of this, but when time it come for the betterment of you and him, that's why I'm telling you, someone no better when say in a relationship, you know, because I be a sex alone when talk about, you know, and nobody talks about sex all the time, nobody, because talking about it every day, it like, just you hearing about it, it not gonna do nothing for you after a while. You're gonna need a higher thing for talk about. You're gonna need something else. So when you go somewhere there with somebody, because remember saying, no, you can't have in a natural, free flow conversation and that turn out later on in having the best sex. The conversation didn't start out about sex. We was talking about construction. We was talking about how expensive sand is now. And we was talking about how much for a bag of cement and how much for a length of steel. We was talking about plyboard. And we was talking about how I went to the hardware store and I wanted some 6-inch nails. And I didn't know that the nails were so expensive. And you know the type of board that we was using and and they start talk from board and they say some of these board is not strong, and then two they're talking about the board and say no, say them board them don't use them to make the bed, and then all of a sudden the bed reach this up, and then two the year say, oh, you know that the appliance store have some new TV up there and this and that, and two the argument just reach right at one part because it's so comfortable and relaxing, and the girl say this person is so refreshing to talk to. The conversation is so refreshing and it's fluent. Remember, you know, when you have somebody and you and them can dip on the phone for hours, when I'll drop asleep, nobody want to hang up. I mean, I talk about fresh relationship. I talk about relationship where 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. I talk about relationship like that. And you can drop asleep and wake up. And when I say you hang up now, and then nobody no want to hang up on the phone just there. And you just know say the person up on the phone and you just hearing them sleeping. Them now if you snoring, you know, them just you hear them a blow. And you say, wow. Woman this, you know. And you smile. You just even talk. And you hear something about woman and you just think about your woman. Or you just think about your man. And you smile. Lady Ellie, good morning. Enough people not understand nothing when me talk about like this. Enough people not understand. And enough people not even know what them want. Because you can't reach certain age and not know what you want. out of a relationship. Like for instance, you have a conversation with a girl and you ask, what are you looking for? Because here we are going to have sex. So, what you look for? You want to just have sex or you want to see where it go or what? Make like, come tell me where you go on and what reason. What do you my brethren go sabam and a girl see him and say she like him? Nice girl, you know. Girl nice, bad. Young girl too. In her 20s. And she says she like him. 2 twos him go sabam and him show me a message. Like she meet him Sunday. And Tuesday she tell him say she hungry. Saying you're hungry. Me not have a problem with you saying you're hungry because me buy food for anybody. Then another day, she said she want 10 grand to do something. So right away, remember the man not touch her front yet, the man don't know if she red, pink, green or purple, the man don't know nothing about her. The man just try to get to know her. And this girl beg food one day and I beg 10 grand the next day. So right away, a Michael Lee Chinch for there with. She just need to go there with Michael Lee Chin. Because a NCB she buck up on. Right there so. Or Scotia. Sometimes some girl block them blessing just because of them dirty nasty ways. Them dirty ways what them have. You have some girl we walk past you, oh, me don't want a fat man. Me don't want a fat man. I know me type. While she see that girl there with her tattoo man and him bleach out and him in him socks and slippers. And him have him tattoo on him neck and him intense tattoo and him whole heap of tattoo them. And she see the girl with her man and the girl go on with her man and all of a sudden she fall in love with that man. She don't look on the fat man where I work. She don't look on the fat man with guarantees that she not dead for hungry. But she rather go there with that man there with full of tattoo. And remember, she don't know if him hungry, you know. She just see the tattoo them and just, oh my God, this tattoo is so sexy. But what she's not looking at, enough girl like the fat man there. Enough girl, listen to the fat man there. Realize, say, him are not really our type like that, but he has other, you know, flaws where she like. Because since a fat alone are him flaws, he not really have no flaws because him cleaner than the man with full of tattoo. Him more ambitious because him willing to get up and go work and guarantee to do whatever him do. And she never stop until she got take the man when Maga full of tattoo, show him brief, him body cracker show, all of them something they are show. Him tab her out and she are dead for hungry. When she had done now, she had come back to the same fat man and I tell the fat man say if him can give her something. Just because he gave her 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Because he can afford to give her. She thinks she'll use him. You're not using him. He wants to give you. He knows you're not into him like that. But because he looks at you like, yeah man, she need it. 2 Tuesday and the girl over there so in an argument over her tattoo man. The girl tell us to leave her man alone because really and truly, our man want tab you too, you know, but him no want you. Him want to feel how your crutches feel. Him want to feel how it feel, but him no want it. Him get it already. You go on with the whole of the something them, but him nah leave him woman for you. So, the man there with it want to turn you in a wife. You don't want to be a wife, you want to be a floor cloth, you want to be a mattress, you want to be a dirty rag, you want to be a washcloth, you want to be a laundry detergent, you want to be all of that over there. So, when you could have be everything good for the man. And when you go so bam, have 3, 4, 5, 6 picnic, for 6 different man, that same man you there right here, so find a good woman, You still a try beg him the same $1,000. You still a try beg him, but no, you not beg him the $1,000 for yourself now. You beg him feed the baby them. Buy me a feeding for Babalucious no. You can't buy a shoes for Lasco. You can't buy some Pampers for Caprison. That same man, yeah, every year, him a try offer you, you don't want him. You change 17 man in this every year. None of them no claims you. None of them no own you. And every one of them say your crutch is good. This man you see something in you where you never see in yourself. You never see it in yourself. And the man a try show you how much time. And all now you not change and you still not see it. You still ask him for things 7 years now. You still ask him for things 7 years now. And then when him say, him not give you start tell him say at the end of the day I'm independent. I got me. So you know blood clot got you long time. You think so when you say you got you because the man refused to give you, for not give you now. You still have to go got you in the long run because guess what? Your gas done at 3,600, 3,800 for all the gas now. And you struggle for buy the gas. You give your pitney them so much godmother and so much godfather. That's you still not see. Say you are the problem. You is the problem. You still not see say you are the problem. You still not see it. Shit. Mrs. Brown say me mean. I know a joke you make still. I know a joke you make still. But anybody who know Richie, who is Richie. Know who is Richie Felix. I remember me have a friend one time get a girl pregnant. And nah, take care of the pitney. See? Nah, take care of the pitney not at all. And me go find out say get this girl pregnant. I never know. So when me go so bam, I find out, nice boy, you know. Nice boy. Jesus Christ! And go on over the pitney and take out money and give the pitney and you know. And little boy nice. I realize now, but it take a while for me realize. Say, remember me not look her, you know. I love kids. So, she say, him not give me nothing. And the pitney want this and the pitney want that. And once you want to catch me, tell me say you're hungry and tell me say you're pitney hungry. Once you want to catch me, you just come with that. And I realize say, every week the pitney want something. And every week the pitney want this and the pitney want that. And show me big and fool. It come like me turn a father for the pitney and never know say I'm the pitney father. Tell my woman I say, Yawa, you're Santa Claus. Oh, you know, say, the baby forgot do this and the baby forgot do that. And you know, say, me not have this and me not have that. Alright, me I come link you. Remember, I know me God pitney and I not to me. I just my friend breed her and now mind the pitney. Zane, and my woman cuss me and war me. Big war! You go like you are the bed that you them lay down pan and you them lay down pan and fuck and breed and get the pitney. You did the account strokes and deal with me wicked. And deal with me wicked. Me I tell you say, come here to look back in myself. That's why I can come by here so come talk and tell you how people stay, you know. That's why I can come tell you. You have some people, anyway, them can get a free sleep, a free ride, a free anything at all, you and them we good. And them things say I use them, I use you. See? And then you use somebody where show you a kind hand. And you use them, you use yourself. Steph asked me how me and that man a friend. I'm going to explain this now. You see what a person do with them life, them are going to do with them life. If you decide, say, you don't want to mind your pitney, are your business that? See? Your business that. Me and anybody at all can be friend. The choices where you make in life, that will be your choice. Because remember, I wasn't there when you and this woman are laid down. Because remember, say, some of these females, them deliberately get pregnant for a man where she see him have some pitney already. And she see how them look well fed and well taken care of. And he did that treat her nice before she get pregnant. So she decides she want to go breed now. So when she go breed now, she say yes, her pitney go get the best care. And from she tell him say she a breed. Because this is the life where a next woman a live. Enough woman grudge the life there and bad mind the life there, you know. Enough woman want the life there for herself, you know. Why you think say you have so much woman go over a man and try say them a try take man from them wife and take man from them woman? Because the man treat them good. Yes, the man complain. Let me tell you enough found females no learn up to today day. And that's why I no found no end up and get the man. I want to listen to me as a man I talk to. A man have him woman. And when him have him woman, him and her go through all kind of turmoil. See? Yes, him and you all have vibes. And you and him go on. And every time him and her have a problem, him come to you because he's venting. See? He's venting, but he choose to vent to you because him have you as him friend. You and him a share, you know, swap body the fluid, and you and him a go on with have a good time. You and him go out and go party, you and him have sex, him come here, come drop asleep, him eat from you, him go and all kind of things. But you have to always remember there is somebody. Yes, it make you feel like you're the ugly girl. But don't you ever open your mouth. Your feedback help us improve. Here what you know to do. Don't you ever pass a bad remarks about a next man, woman. If you do a your man too, always remember say, when him a disrespect that woman yeah, and attack all kind of things about the woman, you just listen or tell him, don't do that. Always remember say, a listening ear is better than a loud mouth. Because your words, them way you going to say out of your mouth, can be used against you in the court of fuck. You hear me say? When him a diss her and him a talk all kind of things about her, you fi jump up as a woman and say, do not deal with this woman that way. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. Put your feelings aside. Put your feelings aside. And be a good listener. And you will learn. Because no found there with man, I want to understand the man who want to deal with. I want to understand the man who want to deal with. Just think about it. You and him there, and you know say him have him next woman. Yes, him treat you nice and him make you feel good. And you'd love him asleep with you every night. But learn to understand. Learn to understand the man. Somehow know when time the man broke him now and soon, you know. Remember, you know, when him have money, I want to know that, you know. When I wonder how the man are going to so much attitude, I want to know. Say, I broke and none money, you know. While sometime, when him and the woman are good, him treat you no bad like shit. Because once in yard no good. Once him and him booby no good. You and him can't good. Him a go sick. Because him woman where him love to him heart. Fee woman where him love to him at him and her not talk and him and her vex and him feel like him and her go left. Him chest a tear out and there's nothing you can do because he might not tell you say. Him heart a tear out, you know. He might have cuss and say, yo, all a girl this and that and that and that. And you now feel happy now because you get extra attention. Don't go overboard. Because the things that you say and do will be held against you in the court of fuck. May I tell you no? You have to learn how to listen. Learn how to listen. When him tell you say, him can't wait for left fire and he must left fire. Make him say all of these things. Because we not found to get carried away with and make on the head chip. Him tell you say him soon left fire. There's no timetable and a man left in a woman. There's no timetable and a man left in a woman. There's no timetable. Listen that what me just say. Enough man in a situation where he married to a woman and yes, him not happy with her. But it's cheaper for him still there with her more than left her. Because if him left her, them have a lot of assets where him going to lose because they did not sign a prenup. They did not sign none of this and them have so much business together. Yes, him can come sleep out and him can come this and that, but him going to go home. Because this is his marital home. Or the matrimonial home this. So no found a una check on yourself. And then una say no waste so much years on your life. You know what you did that do. You know what you did that do. So no blame it upon the man. You know what you did that do. No found you no sit down and think. Una watch TV and una watch TV good. Una watch the wrong thing. If you're with a married man and he has young children, why would you want him to come at your yard, leaving his young children where him and them sleep and wake up, sit down around table and eat breakfast? Why would you want him to leave his kids and come play stepfather to your kids them? Why would you not try him come and him play stepfather to your kids when he can, but he has his own kids where him have to love unconditionally. The love where him have for him kids, him can't have the same love for your kids. I feel them father to have the same love and him no want to give them the love. So you're man where you have a help in a which way him can, but you know to tell him say, oh yo, the kids them miss you and the kids them want to see you and this and that. Him other kids them, him real kids them need him. Him real kids them need him. Cause them a go ball and say, oh daddy now come home. But again, uno selfish. And through uno selfish, uno go hear all kind of thing. Let me tell you this. Woe be unto the girl we find the wife number, or find the woman number, or find the woman Instagram, and send her a picture with you and the man lay down in a bed a kiss. Or you take picture with the man naked when he and him just have sex. And send go give the wife, or send go give the man woman. Woe be unto that wicked. You're a Jezebel. Because if you can do the man that to mash him up to come there with you, what else would you do? What else would you do? Because this woman here know her worth in the man life. You say if she never sister she worth something to this man here, she would have gone long time. Because a woman know when time she done with a man, you know. And a woman know where she hang on to, you know. So uno will get up and I say uno must break them up. I uno must break them up. I uno must break them up. Nobody can mash up me and my woman. None. None. If she want left me and go on, she left me and go on her own. But if you make a woman come to you and tell you this and that and that and that, and two toes when you look 10 years after me and the same woman, you say a fuck and I go and go, that you lose. That's my woman where you did dead and I hold it. You lose. That's why I say anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of fuck. Zane, you have some next set of woman. Them know them now want the man. Them and the man in the same house. They now treat the man like a man. While somebody else out the road treat the man like a king. See? And them know, you know, say them don't want the man. But here them a walk and tell people, the dirty girl a try mash up my life. And she make my husband now come home. And she, me don't know what's about that girl. Me don't know what's about that girl. I don't know what's about that girl. Cause some other girl come and some other girl gone. But something about that girl. Oh, she now left. Listen, you know, the wife part. This now, you know, listen, the wife part, you know. The wife done with the husband long time. Mentally, she done with him. Emotionally, she done with him. But something is there where him have. Where she not done get yet. She not done get it yet. So she see him go sabam and him a smile differently when him out the road and take some picture and put up. But when him in the house, him face sour like him not beard and him not brush him teeth. Him look mowly and frowsy. But yet still when him out the road and him put up a picture and him start out and just see the picture. She a wonder how him a smile so cause him left out of the house ignorant. Him left out of the house mowly and frowsy. Them in the house and 6 months them not talk. But all of a sudden him have a smile on him face and him look like him a glow like him use Berger paint flat emotion. Like a dot in beard in a, like a glow in the dark. See? All of a sudden oh him a smile so she want to know oh this boy a smile so. Him not for a smile. Him for miserable. And me alone for a smile. All of a sudden now side girl for dead. Cause she a come make my man happy. Oh, she a make him happy. Oh, him a smile. And you hear say, she want to get the girl clothes and she want to get the girl this and she want to go over the girl. And she want to do everything to the girl. It sound like a joke, right? Stay in them records and tell us it's not a joke. Sound like a joke. The whole conversation a boil down to know your worth in somebody's life. Know your worth. Know your position. Know your part where you play. You are going to know when it's time for you to take away yourself. You are going to know. You know if this man I love you. Because you can't treat no two persons the same way. You cannot treat no two persons the same way. You have 6 pitney. You can't treat the 6 of them the same way. Because if the 6 of them don't live with you, or the one will live in your yard will get the better treatment. And anybody will disagree upon this, go and check back. A child that lives in your house. Come here, my son, come sit down on my lap. You want some juice? Drink juice. You want a sweetie? Drink sweetie. Eat sweetie. You want a piece of bowl of cake? You want a piece of cheesecake? And that your nice daughter. How my baby come and you take showers and your baby a shower and your son a shower and your son a kick ball together and your daughter a play and what can you do punching at a little fella? What can you do punching at a little fella? H-E-L-L-O and you go on with the nice something and you, the whole of the nice thing them and this baby I get the whole of the love them while the other 5 picnic them see you 2 times out of the week. Them see you 2 times out of the week. When them ready for God, them bed, them can't see you, them mother put them at the bed every night. While are you that with your baby at home, are you that lay down with her, sleep with her, so you build an unbreakable bond. Yeah, you love the whole of them. But the one of the yard get better treatment. Because remember, there is no way a man can go to clinic. Alright. Nick Cannon have about 8 or 9 pitney now. Yes, him there for the photo shoot. Him there for all of them something here. But any one of them who him live with, I go always get the better love. Maya Carey pitney them and him have a band where remember him and them, Maya Carey there for a while. So him there and watch the pitney them a creep, him watch them a run off, him watch the pitney them a breastfeed, him watch the pitney them a what heap of thing. Them other pitney you know, cause remember say them gyal know, if Nick Cannon never did rich, them gyal never go breed. But them just want to know say them there in a circle. So when everybody get up and accuse Nick Cannon, want to the gyal them, I want to accuse them and say them want breed. Cause can bust juice in them and them no breed. Cause them a protect themselves. Some of them have the something name Marina or wait one name with them put for 5 years and 2 years and something them. And you have the one them put in them front and all of them something there. You have the whole of them something with them, but true this a man is rich. See? Well, we don't have to remember say you have some girl breed a foreign to put man pan child support, you know. In a Jamaica is a different thing. A girl breed because yo, make me feel nice and I love you. You make me feel nice and I love you. See? And most of them girls where they are Jamaica, them say them not take no contraceptive because it make them get fat. So that's why enough of them breed. And I really breed them, it want breed. But through them love fuck. Through them love fuck, them just know say, yo, I just pray to God and hope me no breed. And then them a pray so them period come. I pray so them period come. And 3 months pass and them still a pray for them period come. You understand? This is the Jamaica different from foreign. See? A foreign girl just want to know say you have a name. Bam. Loan fuck and breach your deal. Because I put him on child support. Him have money. While the girl them don't get to it, tell say, no, take that you know. Because remember if you go buy Yasmin dear. The cheapest one I wait name, many guy in all wait one name. But everybody body work with it different. Ask me how me know. Ask me how me know. Don't know enough woman. Body work different. You have to try different contraceptive. And remember say, when you deal with contraceptive, you can't miss. Because some girl take it and she say, me take it, but you have to take it 7 o'clock. Or you have to take it 8 o'clock. Or every day you have to take it the same time. I saw it work. I don't know why how it work that way there, but I saw it have to work. And if you miss one day, and that man the bust a juice in you, fully breed. And you ball. Jesus Christ. See? Well, I say Sophia, they don't know, we know the thing them, man. But again, enough people don't want to hear them something here. See? But the girls, them where they are Jamaica, want to listen to me. Because sometimes the live them go over Facebook. Because all who send the live them over all I part them and they put them up and make people hear where I go on and think. I say go once we up on social media we have a talk. He's married all time. Once we up on social media, you never know where you talk go. That's why we have to be careful how we talk. Because if we don't talk certain things, you don't know how that go already. See? The girls them with their Jamaica where madly in love right now with somebody, man. And it's going good right now. Always remember to protect yourself. Yes, of course, having natural raw sex is nice. But it comes with a responsibility from the woman part. Because remember, you know, a man ready for bust a juice in a woman at any time, you know. But he's not really ready to play a part. Why go and cook a fat? Jesus Christ. So Richie, what you think about long distance relationship with the man there Jamaica and the girl there America? Jesus Christ. Sever sure. Hear this now. A long distance relationship is one of the hardest relationships to deal with. It takes a lot of sacrifice. Not time, you know. Sacrifice. It takes a lot of sacrifice. Now make nobody come tell about it no work. Wanna go on from right or so. But it no work. It work if you want it to work. Because somehow you live a foreign and the man create a whole other relationship out here, so. Where him have no come for 2 weeks. So when you come for a month, I overstay, no welcome. That is why it don't work. If the man don't start a relationship in a Jamaica, you go always alright. If the man do not start a relationship, if him don't start a relationship, if him dead and him say, listen, me woman, they are foreign, me nah try if you go down in a nothing deep and big with no woman, and rare. Me nah go plan to get comfortable with no woman. Cause remember, say, some man, I'm want to listen to me good. Cause this is no joke thing. I'm telling you why long distance relationship no work. It no work because the man feel like say him can't go in bed without sleep with a woman. So him no make time for the woman when they are foreign and give her reassurance. The woman want come from work and every time she come from work him ever asleep. So she and him not talk long time now him and her not talk. A beer day in a lunchtime him and her talk. So right away the communication break down. The communication break down so much. The communication break down so much that's them hardly even talk. Them hardly even talk. So you must not say that. You not say that. The woman work her how much shift. The sacrifice when I say you have to make sure when a woman want talk, you are available as the man. You need to ask the woman how was her day at work. You not have to text during the day. And when you not text during the day, try to know so when she come off she want to talk to you. Remember saying no, every man can know when a woman a fuck, you know. Every man can know that, you know. Because guess what? Him not get that time that him normally that get. But some true him a fuck to him no business. Him no make sure say that woman they were there foreign alright. Him go think about say, you know some broke. And him start complaining to the woman. Only time the conversation strong and I go. You know some day and the car all want service and the car want some parts and this one to the car and that one to the car and looking at the roof and I want some galvan zinc and I mean, I tell us, I don't know, you know. But Swappy tell our school fee all due and I never have it. And you know as the woman where they are foreign at work now, I say, how much are the school fee? And him say it until, alright, and you send the money come. When you want something for work, the person the way you said, nobody no more important than her because that is the reassurance where you have a blood clot give her. You have to give her the reassurance where, because of course she going to get insecure. One of the biggest insecurity when a woman there on a long distance, she there far and she can't get you in at the night. You get so comfortable not talking to her at night time. You see the night time, yes, it's for sleep, but it's a very important part of the relationship. The conversation for good in the night just like how it's good in the morning. And don't come tell me about here, you as night come you drop asleep. So when you go wake up, but yet still you want to go out the road and party. Once you take a woman out of a zone, and you broke a woman and make she get comfortable by doing something, don't try just take her out of it so because she going to know that something is up. And remember, woman, when love pick a necessary argument with the man, just remember this. When the man begs and fed up, he might stop it. Because if a man knows him sit down and do everything right, he might make you comfortable and you still find ways to fuck it up. What you think he might go do? What you think he might go do? Me hear a whole heap of people talk about, oh, long distance relationship. It never works yet. And it never works yet because you're in competition with too much other girl. You have too much competition. Remember, you know, when you know, say you are the one, nobody can take you out of that space there. Because you get everything that you want. Your video call him and anytime, you never reject your call it and say, oh, you reject me. Oh, you reject me call. Never say, oh, you call me video call for. Because remember, say a woman when her insecurity kick in, she going to do all of them something there. And you have to just go somewhere and just please her. And just say, listen to me, stop it, man. No do that something there. Because you know make you feel comfortable. You make you think all kind of things. You make you think all kind of things. Can watch this now. You can watch her. She can watch you. So there have to be a big level of trust. There's going to have to be a big level of trust. And not only me, you never hear the lady say she in a 7-year relationship and now she and him married and in the States. You never see that comment there a while ago, wicked woman. It does a thing just happen where a lot of women it don't work out. Sasha say, I did a long distance and now we're married. I would never do it again. It's hard. Of course. But at the sacrifice where you make, you're going to get the just reward for it. It's a big and hard sacrifice because you there in America, England, Canada. You have to make it work where you're a woman up on the phone and you have to have on the days when you have sex talk. You have to have on the days when you have heart-to-heart talk. You have to have on the days when you have to argue. You have to have on the days when you have to just in love and you can't get enough. Like she oh, me I call you back, babe. So you can't wait for she call you back. When you know say you're in love with a person, you can't wait for talk to them. You cannot wait to talk to them as you get the first break. And that's why I tell you, say people find time for who them want to find time for. And again, I'm going to say a lot of you say you're in a relationship, but you're in a relationship with yourself because the person who you say you're in a relationship with don't know say you're in a relationship. He does not know you're in a relationship. A woman will say she have her man at Jamaica and she there foreign. When she come to Jamaica, she knows say her man she come. She come to her man. Remember say if something wrong, you are going to know. Because no woman and no idiot. Woman play fool to things where them want play fool for. Just like what I tell you earlier, a woman know when she in love. And a man know when he in love. Yes, when a man in love, Jesus Christ. When a man in love with a woman, that woman the way I get that love there, she not even know how to angle it the way him love her. She not even know how to angle it because she has said, oh, the rastas. Not even my mother never loved me so yet. Jesus Christ. How can I love this money you give me? Man, I spoil you. Man, spoil you. Because, remember this. When you're the overseas, and the man still a try him best, for still a make you happy, he might put smile on your face from a distance. Enough man understand. Because, watch this. A one-sided relationship with finance, you're going to have problem. Because you in a better position, but him can't find ways. Him can't find ways how to make it work. Somehow have a woman a foreigner and never yet say, let me look online and see if I can get something reach her. Because you know her address where she there. So do a little thing, like make her even a little postcard reach her or something. And show her say you want her. Show her say you miss her. Make sure when she see that, she can't believe say you really do that from Jamaica. Somehow just have a one-sided thing. Just like where you can look online and talk about you see some Nike and you see some Clarks and you see some Adidas and you see some this. The same way so you can look on something for your woman and say, listen me, I want to do this because when we live in a time now where you can buy things online and send it to people place. You can use your card and buy something. So you have to up your game and make the woman show you. The long distance, you have to make she feel like she's the right side of you. But no for uno, nah go understand. Uno nah go understand because uno has always been the giver. Uno have never been the receiver. So you don't really know your partner. You don't really know your partner because up to today some people still don't know. They don't know what them partner like. Some people, they with a partner will love money. Money. Them no want no. What I call it now, like, you know the little chocolate, the little box with the chocolate them. Your partner have a sweet tooth and she there wear on one part and her. It not even have to be her birthday. Just out of the occasion. You just say, you know, so me I think about my woman. Alright, I'm going to try surprise her work with this. And you don't even tell her, you know. And you make it drop her workplace. Do some things where you don't normally do. Because you have to make sacrifice. And remember again, sex is a very important part of the thing. So when your woman goes up and she start get miserable, you not have to talk about sex on the phone and make she play with her front. You see me? So you have to make you feel good in another way there. Because if you don't just sit down and just talk, she got to say, Jesus Christ. How are this? But again, you have some woman, they are going to tell us that they want to touch and they want to touch. And not every woman can hold it. And not every woman rests them front. I don't know the truth. But I saw the truth always go. The truth always come out. That way there. See it there? Chenny dance, boy Richie. The boy send me a nice perfume set. And I just come home to it. And I from Jamaica, I send it with all a note. So long distance do work, especially if the man want it. Alright. I'm glad the Chinese dance say it. Remember, long distance. So when you meet, when last me get touch, long time, me not touch. Me there just a train. Jesus Christ, me not touch. But that is a mental thing. When you're young, and you think about too much thing, it can't work. But when you're old, you just know say, enough of my fucking life. All over worldwide. Worldwide. See? Worldwide. So you can't hold it. See? I remember me as a man where I learn to stay by myself and sleep by myself. Yeah, I'm too lie. No, so I'm not going to say me too lie, man. I tell you about you, no always have man as liar. Because a man will tell you say them not have no woman. And then you say, liar, tell you not have no woman. Because you know hard to believe. And then when a man tell you say, Jesus Christ, Karina tell us that she's in a 33 years long distance relationship. See that? 33 years. 33 years. She in a long distance relationship. Back and forth. Yoki say Jamaican man are doomed to the grave of Jamaica or be gay. Good luck. Rose, nobody worry about if it's not good for me. Love me. Alright. May I wait for my woman? May I wait? May I save my sperms? Somehow no woman has gonna reach a foreign. On the son and the man left. You can't follow some people when them and them woman just separate for 2 months, you know. Like me say a woman go sober and I say her husband gone for 1 month. 1 month her husband gone, you know. Our man gone for 1 month. See? And she a breed now. Because the man gone work and she couldn't rest her front. She couldn't rest her front. Baby mother say, long distance relationship rough bad. More while my man know how to find and step and all my nerves. Yannick say, Richie, last year I speak to my man, video of course. The man called me back 2 a.m. Say him hard. I had to show him what he wanted to go to sleep. Then I saw it for go, you have to show your man your front. Jesus Christ. Tanisha says she want to talk about Jamaica mental health. So Yannick, they tell you it go there. You have to show your man the front. I talk about the money problem already, man. I talk about it, man. You have to just watch back the live when this done. See? You have to be spontaneous. See? You have to be spontaneous. Someone have a high sex drive. And someone buy a rose. And a done out on the front. But I bet you use a rose and done out your front. More than make a next man enjoy your front. That means that when a real man come, your front not ready. Your front tired. See? Your front tired. Jesus Christ. Tell a boy. It's rough. Somebody if you talk about mental health. Well, I can't tell you this right now. Long distance relationship trouble your mental health enough time. Mentally it can mess with you. So you have to always give your woman reassurance. See? You have to give your man reassurance. Because guess what? A woman always a worry about man a gateway. Like you know some man worry if you a gateway too. Everybody show them emotions different. See? So you have to just check yourself more time and say John was star. You have to just go to your bed sleeping peaceful and comfortable and just know say a so life go. Ladies, click the link in my bio and go to my Amazon shop and grab your rose. And don't be locked down with someone that don't make no sense. Jesus Christ. Dirty kids. People, go over kids page who don't have no rose. And support kids. Remember me know her a long time. Years without tears. Go up on her something if you don't have no rose. And buy your rose. Support kids. Support kids. Anything what she do, if she cook, support her. Me like her. Support her, do. Me I beg you no. Support kids right now. She trying. Who is this? Nyla. And Nyla that. Support her right through all the night Jew. So it go. Don't knock nobody hustle. Whatever them want to sell, them make them sell. Because if them thief, you tell them say them a thief. If them a work, you tell them say them a work. So when you see them a sell and a do them something, do the right thing. You woman, you leave rose alone. You can't, not even flowers you can't manage, much less rose. Yeah, one man can't help you when you get addicted to the rose. I know a lot of one is considering to buy a rose because be people are talking about it. Well, try it for yourself. Try it for yourself and do what you have to do. And you don't know how life go. And when you put in, you get out back. You know that already. Real folks. Uprising, same wife bought a rose. Jaja. The rose don't penetrate, it stimulates. Jesus Christ. Anyway, my day and me on a reason and it's refreshing and nice. I like it. I need to tell some of the man them something. Some of the man when you need to sit down and know the woman where you deal with. Some of you don't try to know your partner You don't go know say our front fat. You don't go know say you like when our front shave. But I know you not try to test on the woman mind. Wicked character. We have come on from my page and I come talk about hello rich for. Realize if I'm a business boss or like a big beige kite, you know, remember me. Now in a year, you know. Now I play no hypocrite with you. Me you used to good. We're not good again. You come on about hello rich and don't come with a something about I've been busy. You've been busy for who you want busy too. When you not check me, I know the whole on the stay. All I know. When me and used to good and then you blame it. When you're on COVID, you blame it. Pastor, oh, I've been busy. Too busy for who? You're too busy for me. Well, you're not too busy for everybody else. Yeah, people. Tanisha says, Richie, you're open-minded and forward thinking. I like that. You look beyond pursued imperfection. Well, me try. Yeah. Me not change sexy browning. Tie your ready feet. Me just say, some of the man them don't know who them there with. Just like some of the woman them. But me talk about the man them first. See? A lot of man there with a woman cause him fall in love with her front. See? Him fall in love with her front and her breast them stiff and all of them something there. Yes, our physical physique, you know, him find out and say, yes, it's nice. But him never sit down with her and find out what she really want to do with herself because she don't get the front already. Him just know say, yeah man, I'm my woman now because me and her, I do the hokey pokey. See? Me and her I do the whole of the outer than this year. So it's like him so busy knowing the front, that's him not know the woman mind. The woman have some things in her mind where she want to reason with him and tell him, but him nah listen. Him too busy on the go. See? Slits and glitz. She try to tell him in a many ways. Him not see it. Because you have some man that say from bill spear and clothes, the pan back, everything is okay. Woman don't want nothing more. While you have some woman want broaden and widen them horizon. Kids. I say she have a cooking something. I say she say she have got gym. I say she say she have do this. Now she come on and say she have sell rose. So she have sell this and that and that and this. Some man will see kids and just think about her front alone. And say her short good. See? But him not pre say kids want money. And want money for do things because we need money to live a good life. See? Enough man good for par with, but enough man him not think far ahead. Him not think far and wide. See? So him and kids now go get along. Kids have to go end up and left him. Because when kids want to do certain things to make money, him now go give her the support that she look for. Him now go have the time to do all of that. So kids, I go say, the brother you now do it, cut it for me. I better me just go and go deal it myself. Kids left him. When kids left him now go understand all now because she been a talk to him, a talk to him, a talk to him, a talk to him. Him see she just start make move. Like for instance, going back to school. You ever hear some man tell us, oh, you're 40 and want to go back to school. Or what you could have want to go back to school for? From you there with a man and him willing to tell you that. I kill him, I kill your dreams them right there. So because he must say, you don't need to go to school, you know, so we have money. You have money, but she not have money. And that is why you see some licky mama. The woman in a relationship where mentally she not feel good. Zine, physically, she not feel good. Financially, him a hold her back. See, morally, choose her mother say, Rary, she think about her mother. Because her mother said this, because him love run go to the mother. You have to stop invite too much family in a relationship too, you know. When you give your partner too much access for reach to your family too much, you know. Because the partner don't know you, but him know your mother more than you. And your mother going to call you every minute. How you do, Ruan? How you do, Ryan? So the man call me and I say, say this and that. Show your mama licky. She don't listen to her daughter, she listen to the man. So when I tell you now as man, when you have your woman, don't worry about your woman getting her degree and then she start make more money than you. And you feel like she got change. Don't have them something there in your thought. Just know say you have an open mind to everything. Make sure go and go pursue her dream. Make sure go and go do this and make sure go and go do that. See, make sure say you would try and push your best and do your best with her. That means say a fair conscience play upon her when time she reach where she reach. Because I remember say enough of we in a relationship we say we want to get back this when the woman like you pay tuition then. You pay tuition and you pay this in the relationship. You come talk back about it and say you owe me this and you owe me that. It's like a loan your partner give you. You never sign an agreement since a loan. And an agreement. Let me tell you the next thing when man love do. Man love tell woman say don't work. Him will take care of her. Don't make no man come tell you say you not for work, girl. I want to know. Don't make no man tell you say you not for work. If you gonna tell you say you not for work for people and give you a business, that is different. But you're not supposed to just sit down in a house and watch blood clot 365 days. And Squid Game and all of them something there. Because when slow time come, you slow already because you never did have no start. You never have no start, you know. And him come get slow, so automatically everything get fucked. And you and him in the house and a be a problem too. Him start blame you and beat you down. And I beat you and I blame you when I say this and that and that and that and that. If you're there with a man who is a chopper and he might give you enough money, don't take the whole light and buy ear. Don't take the whole light and buy Bridget's. That means that when time thing gets slow for this man, and you alone have 40 pair of Bridget and you can't sell back none. Don't make it be that where the man foot broke and your foot broke and nothing to do you. Your foot broke and nothing to do you. Take some of the money, take out a little bank account with a JN, with a Scotia, with a COK, with a NCB. Use the little cranium that God give you and save some of the money. Because remember, fashion change all the while. You see them have the big ugly Kanye West shoes them. Remember say that soon gone out of style. Remember them have some other shoes. Remember say the big ugly Balenciaga shoes them. Remember them they soon out of style. Right? Remember say fashion change all the time. Fashion change all the time. So don't just look and say your man this, say your man that. Because if your man in the game and him a hustle, him can't get shot, him can't go to jail. See? Him can't go to jail. Don't make the man go to jail and you're not playing no role, you're not playing no significant. You can't even put $1 upon him books. You can't even buy him 3 cup soup. See? You're driving at this car and all you do is cock up and take your seat in your front. You can't drive. All you do is put up on internet and I put up your dear clothes them and I put on your body for dear makeup them. And I live like the Kardashian them. Don't forget that the Kardashian girl them born rich. And them use them name and them followers and make more money. So your influencer you say you have on the internet, try make some money off of your name here. Try make some money off of your name. I'm just say that for wise you know, because remember say you have tough time and you have rough time. So things might look good now, but try remember everything have an expire date. Everything have an expire date. Because remember this, you know. You want if the shit hit the fan, it not blow up on you and stink you up. Because when it blow up on you and stink you up, you're going to just have all of them week there where you spend how much money pan. And buy the Nicki Minaj long, the year where you see Nicki Minaj in a long come way down so like a Rapunzel. So you have to know what you do. So It's not too late yet. So, nobody buy no bag for a while. Give yourself a 3 months and save some money. You can do it. You can do it. Enough girl me see used to act, you know me. I tell you something. Enough girl me see used to act. And right now, you walk past them, you see them in a taxi with them, they never say them all take taxi. You see them all on bus now. Because them never know say that slow time you did ever come. Because them thinks that everything did ever just alright and fully up and fully up. So kid say, Richie remember them not have to stay with no man for prove say she loyal before him do things. Zane, you have to remember that. No for no. The man have money, the man a drive, you don't want to learn to drive. Any man have a woman and no want to teach her to drive. Because remember say it best when two driver there road. Because one can go somewhere and one drink and one tired. So you have to learn to can take the wheel. It look nice when a woman a drive a big vehicle. It look cute. It's sexy when a woman step up in her truck and a press and a go on with her something. That it looks sexy to me. Woman fit in a car and spread off. They a stoplight there look and you say a hot girl spread off in her big body something and say, Jesus Christ, that girl is nice. See? You can't just want in the car like a seat belt and a handbrakes every time. Your handbrakes? Your seat belt? You one of the AC vent where you just go up and down so. Remember, you know. Big up every girl where graduate last year or the one that we are going to graduate this year. Because you finally complete your nurse's course. And you finally complete whatever course you have to go on. And you know, say, yeah. And this you did want to do and you finally have to graduate and you have to really, because you have to make back some money now. And set yourself a certain way. Big up on yourself. You stress and you struggle and you fly from New York to Florida to go to class. You put yourself through school and do the right thing. Because enough for one girl, you know. I'm telling you something. Enough for one go foreign illegally. And still live on the gram like on illegal. Enough for one man there foreign illegally and still live on the gram like on illegal. All of the wannabe Jay-Z's and the wannabe Kanye West them. Where you and your woman a match and still not make no sense. Correct, I not call you. About 1 year now, I not talk to you. And you used to talk to me all the while. Me alright, leave me alone. Everybody will try live like LeBron James and Savannah. And you know say, you know start out your shit. Go and do the same thing because you still not understand. And for everybody who cross that Mexico border and then America, I want to go into that advice because I know it have a reach. For everybody who go through that border and reach, I tell you, you know, make sure you leave the crosses at the border. Because America are going to get tougher comes next year. It are going to come tougher next year. Enough of you go on like say, I phone a place and our father send phone a file for you get. You in a mix up, you going to fight over man. You not try to get a little work, to sort out on yourself, to make better for yourself because you run from Jamaica for obvious reason, for a better life. But now you reach, you dep on Instagram, you not trace, you not cuss, you not go on, you in a pasa, you fly from Tesoga war girl, you fly over the Sona war boy, you in a all kind of things. So basically, you not tell me say the people who did well want a chance, not get the chance, because then turn them back. And you not get the chance to come through. and you still do the same thing. You still do the same goddamn thing. We know so you not change that change. Everybody will wish you well and hope on a change. You not let down on yourself. I know the people them not let down because you can wish something for somebody, but if them don't want it for themselves, may I tell you no. Everybody who dead already know say it's not easy to take up $50 and give somebody. It's not easy to get up and take up $50 and give somebody. It's not easy. A lot of people acting rich and say them have how much money and them have how much money. When me hear Kanye West say, I'm richer than all of you bitches and who talking about. When Kanye West say him rich for true. Him have him value $6 billion. Kanye West value $6 billion. So Kanye West can say him rich. And him wear bare idiot clothes and the people them laugh off him clothes. But those shit sell. So Kanye West is the man selling brand. Right now Kanye West assign people to him company. Him have a company now. When name Danja Sports. Him assign people. Kanye West customer say, alright, me I do gospel. And I make millions out of gospel. So Kanye West, the same people them we laugh and I say Kanye West, this and that and Kanye West. Him rich. Him wealthy. And him talk out time mouth. But we there act like Kanye West. I buy Kanye West big ugly shoes and the big ugly jacket them. Where everybody see him in and I laugh and I make memes and fight. Each time I meme make have a Kanye West, somebody see it and say, I like that shit. Where can I get one to buy? And buy it. See it? And buy it. So, him know for market himself and know for brand. And him love him pitting them already. So we are take up him and Kim Kardashian something on we head. See it? While we there now as some Jamaican we get a little oblige. Kim soon like him chip. Kim soon like a rich man chip. But me just say, this is not about Kanye West, you know. This is about the people who want to be Kanye West. You remember one of the time when every girl did a mad over Idris Elba. You remember that time there. Remember everything is just a time on the internet, you know. Alright. The girl them love Dexter Dap. The girl them love Dexter Dap. Some man hate him because the girl them love him. At one point, I saw the girl them used to love Beanie Man. It's an era, at the Dexter Dap era we in and nowhere. Him is the only man where the girl them go crazy for. The girl them go crazy for him because he must sing the song them where the girl them love. He must sing the song them where turn on the girl and Dexter Dap can sing a song and make a girl go home go have sexual intercourse with her spouse. You see it? So, them love Dexter Dap. Them alright with some rest of artists. See it? But we see it. Just like how Spice, everybody love Spice. Them come our show. And Spice go on with her something. Everybody have them time. See it? Everybody have them time. We are living in an era right now where a whole heap of artists we have, yes. But not every one of them are sell. Just like how we have some whole heap of girls will look good on the internet, but when you see them in a real life, them not look good. Them not ready. Because them edit them filter out them pictures so much. That's when you see them, you wonder what the hell that made like. You have to go back on them page and I type in. Cute from birth underscore good. And you type in cute from birth underscore good and you look on her in a real life and you look on the picture and you say, that girl don't look good. And I saw you look. So much filter upon the girl them picture nowadays. So much filter. And so much editing. Like if you have you try to look so perfect on the internet, you confuse yourself. You confuse me, you confuse she, you confuse everybody. But yet still, kids just rebuke me star. Paper, we just join on. Remember kids, go up on our page and go in our bio. She sell this and that and that and this. Sherlock girl, and I know she a try. She get her opportunity and go to America. and she make good for herself. Big up yourself, kids. You're one of the good one them. I never you was the hottest round there, but I know who are the hottest and who have the smarter brain. Because remember, when you were there in a dance in 2004 and 2005 and the boy, and I go on, and you them did a run down. And you them did a run down, you know. But you go on and get your blight and dig off left them. And now when them see them, I say, they don't catch that. And now no close catch that. A maga catch that. I will catch get a body there from a one bag of something. Kitty. And see, when you see her come and she put up her video and she give her slow motion walk. Jesus Christ, when she give her walk there. Just try it now. I remember say, I don't have her as a hype girl, you know. Because I don't think she hype. I just such a stay. You see me? And when we talk about people, we talk about people we know. So anywhere where she reach, you have to big up yourself, kids. People, when you don't know, sometimes when you see the people, and when you never know how far them come from. See? When you know where them come from, but she come far away. So, not because of Instagram now or internet now. She pay her dues in everything, boy. See? So when you see she sell her things, the man go on. And if any day she come and cuss out nobody, I really trouble them trouble. Because she don't really trouble people. She ain't in a mix up on them something there. Pick up yourself, kids. See? As bad as thing be. Me have to talk about you because I know you a long time. See? And your Jamaican life, you used to follow back of people. But now you becomes a leader. And me have to give more ratings for that. I have to give more ratings for that because remember, you know, Gary Sherlock, them around the place when time kids them there road, you know. And she a follow back of them, you know. Remember that, you know, she a follow back of Gary Sherlock, you know. Remember say that bad as thing be, Gary Sherlock, he'd have the whole of the girl from Sherlock and follow back of him. Remember? Everywhere. And when you go to Bama look now, no kids, man, with a slow motion walk, I pass our driveway, slow motion walk, and they said, that's kids, eh? All them kids, eh? Pick up yourself. Right, show. Anytime you see the slow motion walk, I can't tell you, I know when you make money, you know, anytime you get the slow motion walk. Anytime you see get the slow motion walk, I money make. I just start calling her and say, kids, walk, give my one man I want. What you do? Gary, them still do them thing, man. But me I say, you have a promoter now come and keep them things. Some of the biggest dance them keep at Jamaica. A Sherlock them keep it. Gary Sherlock, ram up the whole of Sherlock. Remember Baby Sham goes to Bam and put Sherlock on the map. See? And Gary Sherlock them come goes to Bam and put another part of Sherlock on the map. And then Conscience come and put another part of Sherlock on the map. You understand? You have to big them up. Them do the right thing. What me just say, for the girl and the boy, they will get the opportunity and reach in America and feel like say on the yard and no gone now, on the depa internet in a one bag and mix up and a tarnish and a bring down on one another. Try no say a one place alone a phone and a Jamaica. Them are always welcome on the back. Them are put on up on a plane and you can't say you don't want to go on it. You not go come. Jamaica is your one, not America. So just do what you can do. Stay under the radar and build up yourself. Sometimes it's best to stay under the radar. Sample 6 them. Sample 6 did have a wife at Bermuda, you know. Him good man. Sample 6 them always good. I don't know about the whole of the youth them, but I know say the head sample. Him wife at Bermuda, so them man they always him good man. Have papers for all about Naira, man. Man they put up the shoes and say see it ya 1500 US red bottom, see it ya. Yeah, man. But just I tell you, no, move in silence. You don't have to show everybody you move. You don't have to show everybody you move them. You don't have to show them. You don't have to show everybody you move them. Sometimes it's best when time, because sometimes we talk and black we want a blessing. And when time it not reach, We no remember say we chat too much. Sometimes we chat too much, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Sometimes we chat too much and black we blessing. We have to learn to hold it more time. See? We don't have to tell everybody everything. Sometimes, I remember it happened to me, so I can't tell you no. Yo, you know, say, I want to buy a car. Yeah, man. I want to buy a car, man, and don't know, you know, they must say 4.5 million for the car, you know, and and we did it, and we attack and just send it out there in the universe. And some people in the universe say, oh, I want to buy a car, and all of a sudden, whatever them go do with them mouth, and them got them bed heavy. Because them just have we up. But the boy come hype and we talk about him and go buy a car. After we say it out a proud moment, because we say, no, say as bad as thing be. I share it with my good friend. But sometimes the people who we call friend, them not call we back friend. We don't know what them call we for dog shit or junk or what them want call we. We don't know what them call we, you know. We don't know. But sometimes, if we just don't say nothing and people just see things. So you never tell me say you buy a car. Yeah, man. Long time I buy it, man. You don't know. Sometimes I say you have to just make the world see things. And then when them have you up or you never tell them, you see who them is. Easy. Nelly dime. Hold tight. You know, I love Canada bad. I love Canada bad. Canada nice. Canada nice. But Canada people, Canada dancehall people, I Richie feelings this. Somehow you might like me, somehow you might not like me. But you don't have to know about me. Because once you need music, you don't have to know about Richie. I see a trend go on over Canada dancehall right now. I can tell you this. You don't glad make it bad for yourself. Canada don't have no whole heap of dancehall spot right now. And some other people, like the Canadian, them have for them spot where I go on and them support it and raid. Jamaican people in Canada, we have restaurant, we have whatever you have. Just look around. Notice a little bit of people you see actually own a barber shop or own a restaurant where they must say a Jamaican spot this. You know why? The people that live over all of these places, the Indian people, them have for them part where them support for them Indian tribe and love for them Indian tribe and build for them Indian tribe. And the Chinese people, them and the people them from Indonesia and all of them people, yeah. But we, the Jamaican people, have always have to say, them a sell too dear over there, so, and them a do this to them, and where ma bring Richie feelings far, where them a bring boom boom far. And ray, and on my date, them sister me have my date, and them a keep something for my date. The same thing where I go on 30 years ago, still I go on after 30 years. Get on a shit together, Canadian. The people that live in Canada, get on a shit together. Remember when the lockdown for 2 years couldn't come out when everywhere take time I open up. On the lockdown. On a lockdown, remember I come there and say, I want to live amongst one another. Peer hypocrite in a small circle. You can't even tell who like who. People come watch people bar and them look at everything on the shelf. Them see Casamigo, them see Ciroc, them see Hennessy, them see rum, them see this here, them. You never have no Baileys. Me not say with no Baileys rum cream. A Baileys alone me drink, you know. Lie. If you come to support somebody, you're gonna buy what is there on the shelf. Don't just look down the line and count everything what is there and then you don't buy nothing. You ask what is not there and you already see what is there. That is a dirty style. And a whole heap of una do it. Whole heap of una do it. That's a dirty style. If you come to support somebody, support them. Because you can't get free ticket, then you want to go get free liquor. So how the support go? Your presence? Then I better you did stay home. The mentality of you not want to pay to go into somebody's party, that don't make no sense. Because you not pay and you reach at the party. $40 for go in or $30 for go in or $25 or whatever for go in. You don't want to pay that and $5 out there. And when you come in, you don't buy nothing. So how the bar are going to make money? Since you say you support me, how the bar are going to make money? Yes, 5 dance can keep. But when the segregation start, a 10 dance I go keep because everybody are going to now feel like they're a promoter. Not because I come to your party and me spend $500. That no means me I go, you are going to come back at my party come spend $500. The mentality there for change. Because remember say, when your dancer come up, I might be the first of the month and I not have it. So, I will come in and then me end up and go way back. But at least me come back and show support. Yes, you go out and you support everybody and you don't get back the support. And life go like that sometimes. That don't mean if you give up, you try again. So Canada people, get on the shit together. I not tell you so not to be friends and buddy, but get on yourself together. Because as soon as you mash up a next dancehall place, you not have nowhere to go. See? Cayman people. The people them are Cayman. Cayman is very small. Kingston bigger than Cayman. Cayman small. A man get an opportunity to reach a Cayman. The money is strong over there. But what you not understanding is, you know say the Cayman and them not like you because the girl them go over there and can do hair good. The barber them go over there and can trim good. Jamaica people go over there and can do everything good. So, you go set on a foot over there and it's a good thing that. But then now when other people come from Jamaica, you start fighting on one another. The girl them work in a bar and the next girl come. She start carrying news and the next girl will bring her. Cayman is so small and the Jamaican population small, you know, big enough but it's small. But them have problem with them one another. No, Cayman and Cayman have problem with them one another. You know. Jamaicans and Jamaicans in Cayman are fighting against each other. Same thing like Canada, over dance date. Over man, over girl. I remember, we a fight with own and then we are blame. Remember, you know, you see a body of people, it can work with unity. But when you have a body of people with full of envy and bad mind, and all of them something there, it have a rough by you. So when you see a man take with himself and say no one in a dance and him not keep no dance, you have to just love him. Cayman have Friday night at them night where you were out late. Saturday night them no party. Club party and the club close certain time. Sunday them we have on boat cruise over there. Them something they not change. Bermuda are the same thing. Bermuda is the same thing. See? Bam when you go to Bam and go to America now. Chicago dancehall scene not big, but are the same crab in a barrel syndrome. New York have it worse. 60 party keep one time in a New York. Queens alone have 4 or 5 party. Bronx have 4 or 5 party. One time gonna use a party at Harlem, but the dancehall and down at Harlem again. See? Over Brooklyn are the same thing. The same thing, everybody does feel like say them are the man. Same thing. See? Same thing. And you dip on the phone, and you talk and you chat somebody, you have all people, I record and I send it go to the next people then. And two, you wonder, how the girl they look upon you so bad? How she look upon you so bad? So why you think we not establish better in the world? Because we sit down and we'll kill with one another all the while. And we are kill with one another and I go on like we are blame people, you know. England, don't even talk about England. Are the same thing. Remember, I go through them something, that's why I can't tell you, you know. A man don't know you from nowhere, but him I go tell the next man, said, don't bring Richie feelings. He might laugh with you, you know. But him I tell the next man, say, don't bring Richie feelings. Richie feelings, them not hot. So you know we put in so much work into this. It's like you gotta tell a man, say, stone love not hot. So you gotta tell a man, oh, if he's spending money, you know. You gotta tell a man, oh, if he's spending money. All me I tell you no, get on the shit together. You never notice the show them with Burna Boy, them how them sold out and ram. The African people, them support them. And you know see them when I end up on Ghana Burna Boy show. When I Ghana Davido show. Because remember, African continent big. When an artist come from Jamaica, everybody no go from Jamaica. You know why them no go? Because them say, oh, me not like that boy, then who keep the dance, they not like him, man. If the boy did not give me 10 tickets, me not go. And the mentality there. While when Burna Boy and Davido them a come, O2 sell out. Brixton Academy sell out. Because them love them countrymen. Burna Boy come from Lagos. And Davido come from one other part. Shatta Wally and Stone Boy come from one other part. And member say everybody does have it as one Africa. Everybody have it as one Africa, you know. So once a year say Burna Boy come. Member people from down where Blood Diamond make. I go come. People from down one place I go come because I one Africa. All now Jamaica no see the full capacity. Always Yankee and some different people will fall in love with Jamaican music because Jamaicans sit down and them bad mind and bad mouth them one another. Them sit down and bad mouth them one another and I wonder say, oh, comes this. Alright. Perfect example. What year? When Skilly Bang got England. Only thing support the show. Only think of Jamaican? Only think of Jamaican there I say wap wap wap. Only can count how much Jamaican there. Me can tell you that. Because Jamaican beat Skilly, beat Skilly, beat Skilly, beat Skilly, beat Skilly, beat Skilly, beat him. But now, the other nation them take up Skilly. Them have remixed with Skilly. Everybody want Skilly. While Jamaica dash Skilly. But watch this now. The same Jamaican them are going to say, we that, I wanna we love him. Yes, Skilly. And them never support him none at all. Them never support Skilly none at all. Them kill him. Them say not good him for dead. And now everybody, the biggest rapper them of the America say wap 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 wap. All of a sudden the foolishness where everybody bash Skilly about. Them now I go jump on the wagon. Cause the whole of the top people in America and the people in England, I say wap 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 wap. And look how Skilly moving in silence. Skilly get him work permit and them don't know. And Skilly does reach. And them does the Skilly all about. Moving silent, as I'm telling you, so enough to talk. And now hear them now. Watch this. So Popcorn not reach yet. And Skilly breach. Skilly this and them start try compare. I remember Skilly and Popcorn good. Have all how much song. But them try to break that barrier there and say them to be enemy. I saw Jamaican to put you up against each other and put the unity so. Them not understand how good is unity. African artists, them not like them one another, you know. I don't want to think them a friend, you know. Because remember, Whiskey and Davido, them not good, you know. I want to remember that, you know. And Shatta Wally, them and Stone Boy, not good, you know. See, me like how we the Jamaican, them, oh, that money and that money not good, and that money and a friend, you know. Remember, I saw them live too, you know. But the people, them on the African side or outside of the rest of the continent, them say, come. We want to see them. Zine? So just look. Remember again, perfect example. Asafa Powell, one of the first fast man, and the man hold the 10 second, sub 10. For years, fastest man. Seeing? Fastest man. Asafa Powell. And you see him bowl come and go and good. And them spit on Asafa make it look like him on a body. Seeing? And what go on in the 400 really. Or the 4x1 or where you want to call it. What name? Asafa Powell, Usain Bolt, Yuan Blake, and what name? Nesta Carter. 4 of them bring home for Jamaica. Now gold them bring home for Jamaica. Remember say, Yuan Blake was some man win a race up a stadium against Usain Bolt. I remember everybody say I'll be a party in party. Everybody say I'll be a party in party. Seeing? Everybody say appear party in party and him all him do a waste time. And him this and him that and one bag of thing. And them beat him, you know. Talk all kind of thing about Usain Bolt, you know. And when Usain Bolt win, all of a sudden them love him again. when Jamaica go on good in a football stadium ram, when Jamaica now win, Jamaica the worst side, them not good. I want to tell them now go nowhere. I remember we are go through this from Gold Cup. We are go through this from all of the competition, them Conquer Cup, all of them something there. We are go through. So we not build we won. A kill we won all the while. And next selector can get at. And I want him get at them say you not good. That's why I'm in a run joke with promoter boy and girl. You call my phone, you just give me my one, or don't call my phone. Because if me still have to prove to you, say me is a good selector. Me still have to prove to you. After me still they are relevant, same way I do what me I do. And me have to prove to you if you book me. Me have to convince you if you book me. It don't make no sense. Better leave me alone and make who want book me. Remember, you know, other selector make it bad for other selector. Because them sit down and them chat with the promoter and feel like them and the promoter are friend. You can't give Richie $500. What you give Richie $500 for? You know if you give him $500. You can't give me $300, you know. You never have to give me so much. You just do your thing and give me a thing when it's done. No business you not set for yourself and have a standard. All of who do here. Just check when some girl complain about your price. And look upon them when them go do them here at other place. You not go hear them a complain because them not go complain to you. Them go say them love it. Down there so. Them know say you do the right thing and you can do here good enough. Them know you can do here good. Them know you can do here good. But true, them not like spend them money with you, you know. Them not like you do them here for free. What you just want to come and say? Maybe they are here for you free, man. Maybe they are here for you free. Them just want you free. But once you tell them, say, you want $5,000 for do a year, them say, I want to say a sure she. I know that you can do here like that, but yet still, you still go back when your money short, you know. Go there when you have the right money, you know. That's why I say I don't want nobody come and tell me about we Jamaicans will support each other. Certain people support under disguise. Certain people. But the one them will feel like I feed them shit at the ingredients in a tasty spatty, and them are they act like and go on like. Them are they act like and go on like. Enough things we know, you know. Enough boy we hear talk bad boy and tell promoter send a book, you know. And we can call out them name, you know. But hear me do my thing. When a boy talk bad boy me and tell a promoter don't book me. Me just wait till me see him. Me just wait till me see him. And when him come and go on like Richie Ray this, me just tell him about the deepest part of him mother and him sister, them and him brother, them and everybody. Because he try to stop Missy and Puffy and Peely one. And then you have a wonder, start how Richie deal with me so, and then me just tell you what you do. Because you nah go come try smile at me and then try to come my own. You hear me say? And that means sure about paper. I'm telling you this. You have to tell people your mind. I'm not responsible who. Don't bother go like you want to do business with other people and then come friend out my thing. Or I'm going to friend your friend them. I'm going to friend your people them. Deal with me like a business. And anyway you deal with me, I deal with you back. Anyway you deal with me, I deal with you back. Because me the man of energy me deal with. Because remember say, you can't know if people real until you show you who them is. You can't know if people real until them show you who them is. Everybody have them type. Me a layer, you know. Everybody have them type. So when me hear Queenie say, I cannot be everybody cup of tea because I'm not a mug. Come like she not even know when she said that something there. When she said that something there, you have to look into it. Don't look at the messenger, just look at the message and pay close attention to the message. I cannot be everybody cup of tea because I'm not a mug. That sound goody, but to a Queenie say it, people would have think say, Queenie a mad woman. Because she said that. Well, sometimes mad people say the right things, you know. Sometimes mad people say the right things then. We Jamaicans hold back with one another all the while. That's why I always tell everybody where I sell. Don't worry about who you know buying something from you. Or who not know you are interested in your goods you have to deal with. Because somehow you know look for some name brand people come buy from you. And then I look on the little man will say, I'm interested in that bag you have there. I'm interested in that top. I'm interested in that shoes that you have there. And you look and say, then you can buy this. Don't you ever judge people when doing business. Not for we business people hold back ourselves and then blame people say people are fight with. Remember how we the Jamaicans stay at any time of night we text people. Once we say we are look something and we see a site, we are going to come on it and we are going to DM you and we are going to see a number on it and we are going to call you. Don't bother come tell we about you don't see the time of the night. Post the wall any time of the night as long as we are Jamaican. You're supposed to ready to do a sale. You're supposed to ready to do a sale. Because so Jamaican thing go. We live at ghetto and we can call Miss Brown out our shop at any time. And say we want pound and half of sugar, or we want quarter pound of saltfish, or we want a tin of mackerel. Miss Brown shop ever open. As long as Miss Brown answer, you're going to get served. So as long as you reply, if you tell me, say, you see the time of the night, move your blood clot and go. You have to come sell me. Or move your pussy hole and go. Allow me to tell. As long as you answer, you have to sell me. You have to chat to me. And that me know. You have to sell me. Blood clot. And that me sure about. From you willing to come on and come say, do you see the time? And you know what time it is? Yes, a time for you sell me. Time for you sell me. May have some question and I'm going to answer them. I have tried to support Jamaicans. Wait there. I have tried. Customer service sometimes is horrible, and that is true. And that is true. Remember, you know, all of us that on this social media grew up going to supermarkets. A corner shop we used to. Miss Brown, Miss Gwen, and some other people we have corner shop. So, through in a social media era now, you are going to come act like and go on like. Remember, say, if you check online stores, you know, when you go on Amazon and say you're going to buy something or you go on any website, don't you go there any time of the week? As long as you go some of them have where you want, they choose where you want, you use your card and pay for it. Then no so Jamaican something for go. Allow me to tell. Allow. Once you go on Gucci, or you go on, and like them tell us them lock. Them never tell us them lock yet. Gucci no lock online. You buy it on Sunday, and Monday deliver out. And you say it go reach your yard in a certain time. Them business no stop. So, you know, your little business are going good. All of a sudden, you say, today your day off and you're ready for disrespect people. But when your business never did go on with nothing, remember you never ever take a day off. Remember a man named Nosy down a jungle. The man and woman named Blackie cuss one day, because they must friend, you know. I'm a Blackie a cuss. And Nosy tell Blackie say, because she said, go a big nose man, your nose big and real, and tell him about a thing. And Nosy just saying at the surface and voice, Blackie, remember where you have to walk. Watch your foot. Blackie, remember where you have to walk. Watch your foot. And And the older me get, I start remember and realize when Nosy did I say, Blackie have to walk through your so fi go our man yard. She have to pass the so. So the man I tell her, I say, watch her foot. Come remember if him black off you so she can't pass. She have to go walk way around so. You hear me say, man? So no for you no member or no have to walk. You no member. So you now watch on the foot. Last time I was in Jamaica, I went to a wholesale shop to buy 2 juice and all. Now them no look for me. Yeah, man. Enough time you got some place and I saw the people them deal with you. Enough time. Enough time. Jamaica customer service is very poor. We're very poor and we get 0 on that. Never you judge a person on their physical features. Never you judge a person on them physical features. Never, ever, ever you judge a person on them physical features. Because probably you might not look. Remember saying we live in a Jamaica where a racism the boy and about them turn it that them turn it that classism or colorism. But a racism in a Jamaica and we deal with it every day. We deal with it every day. You go uptown in some boutique where one dress up there for all 40,000 and you come in there and look. And sometimes you're there and them just, the girl just there in her phone. Or the people them just make it look like, oh, she not buying nothing, just look, she look. We see these things too often. But instead of cussing, just walk out. You don't have to cuss. Just walk out. Because oh, you're going to war with somebody where you're going to, them you're going to make money. Go spend your money somewhere else. Spend your money somewhere else. If you look too big and fat, them will tell you say them not have your size. Remember, you know, them don't know if somebody here come buy things for you, them just look by you and judge you. We not have him size in here, and we might come and start laugh, body shame you. And them will do it right in front of your face. Because through them know so them have medium and small and extra small. Their biggest size is large. So them will look upon you now and say a 4X him wear, you know. Or that girl there, yo, a size 18 or 20 she wear and we stop at 12, you know. A 13 and we biggest size in here, you know. And them will laugh right in front of your face. And them don't know so you come for buy 5 extra small. Because you have a girl and your girl is slim, or you have a son, or you have a nephew, or you buy something for somebody as a gift. Them don't know that, but they are judging you. They are judging you. That is how we the Jamaicans stay. Other dirty nations stay so, but we not hide our own. We show it. We body shame one another the most. Remember this, we born and I grow up. Long neck girl. We born and I hear those words. Big fat sour boy. We born I hear that. Big forehead girl. Buff teeth boy. We are hear them words there from we born. We are hear them words there. You have some spot on your foot, them call you spotty groupie. Them call you raisin foot. You understand? Then call you hunchback of Notre Dame. Then call you all of them name there. Big head girl, big head boy. Them call you all of them name there. Scatter teeth boy. When your face have whole heap of bump in it, them call you sour sap face. Cause you trouble with acne, them call you sour sap face. Your face juky like sour sap. Black girl. Dry head girl. Dry head adasa. So we are dealing with them things from creation. But through them time that we never know nothing about self-esteem because we young. And now we are know about self-esteem. So we have to teach our youth them about self-esteem. You understand? So we go through that. And everybody have that what them go through. Remember you have all your natural hair. Them tell us your head dry and you're natural. Such way you not have in falls here. They must say, what did that giant girl your ear dying for do? What am I going to do your ear? And now, a lot of people are naturally here them are dealing. Remember my daughter not put cream in her ear, you know? My daughter not put cream in her ear. And she not wear falls here. She put on, she wear the fox locks them. But that the hungry ear she wear, and sometimes she would have put into other braid. But she not wear the no yaki pearl and no, you know, no lace wig, and she not wear them something there. She just decides to natural she deal with, and she wear her naturally regularly. But everybody love themselves enough to wear them naturally here. We're going to just natural and just get them thing. You know what I mean? Enough people not do that. Richie, as a social worker, this warms my heart hearing you talk about this. We are say, man, big up yourself, man. You don't know. We have to talk. Sometimes we come on and we talk something and what for people. It's refreshing to hear, you know, because guess what? You go up on some live where not every day some people talk the right thing. See? We have to love ourselves, you know, people. Big up every girl who can go a month or two with your natural hair. Big up every girl who can do that. Big up on yourself. When you take off your wig, and you go to and say, you know, some care to wear wig now. Me I go and rock my natural hair. And you just go and rock your natural hair. See? We have to big up on yourself. But we have to love ourselves. Because sometimes we are seek validation from the wrong set of people. A validation we are seek and mash up ourselves, you know. You know that. We are seek validation from the wrong set of people. Like you will love natural hair. And every time you go around some set of girl, the girl them have something bad to say about your ear. The girl them have something bad to say about your look and your attire. Because you are weird, your style is different. Because anybody who live in England knows that English people dress weird. You will see an English girl in a one tall dress and one big boot. While a Jamaican girl see that and laugh and say, what the hell is that? But when you look and when you go up online and you see the clothes them and you say, oh, them are just like the model them. I saw the English model them dress. I saw the European model them dress. You know one pants with tight up your on the foot, big so. And you know adapt to it until you see Kim Kardashian in it. Because you one that say, oh, okay, I just understand now. Remember, England fashion different from America fashion, you know. America fashion different from over Europe fashion. You understand? So enough people don't understand enough of them something there. Them just, America, you gotta get so, you will see the Louis and the Gucci them enough. But when you look over Europe, some different style you see over there. Zine? So I just say, all of that for telling us if you be on yourself. Top try if you be like people and be on yourself. You have to be on yourself. You have to be yourself and stop trying to be like people. You have to take time out and know who you is. You have to take time out and know who you is. And remember, anybody will make you happy, stick around them. Anybody will bring you pain and grief and sorrow, take away yourself from them. Because your mental sanity, your mental health. You have to take care of your mental health. Because if people are draining energy, you're there with a man and the man are drain you. You're there with a woman and the woman does a drain you. You have to find way and find the strength to take care of yourself. Not care what people tell you, you're not going to left until you feel the strength to left. Because you have some people, them will suck out everything where you have out of you. Them will suck out everything where you have out of you until them realize say, you barely have skin left, and them suck off the skin where you have and left the bone, and them still want to take off the bone them one by one. So you have to save something for yourself. Save yourself first before you can save people. You never hear them tell us a drowning man hang on pan straw. Don't you ever be a straw. Don't you ever be a straw. You hear? If you have a woman and the woman love you, love her back. Because no make nobody tell us about nothing out there. Yes, thing out there, but you have what you have already. And what you have a work for you. Go and deal with what you deal with. See? Look at argument I got there here and there. Go and fight with the little argument and work with it and read. Because when people fed up, you're going to know so them fed up. Because in a time like this, we're in a 2022 now, we know. Then if you are 44 and we're in a 2022, where you could have a look for now? After you done have something where you work for you already, where you could have a look for right now? Where you really could have a look for right now? Tell me. You have something where you work for you, you know. Because remember, you know, you see a young girl and she look good. You have to be careful because she take man, dog and girl. But that means a man afraid of still, you know. Afraid of the young girl them nowadays. I'm afraid. Because them not have one partner or two partner. Them have different type of partner. So them have a girl where eat them front, and them have a man where sex them front. Them have a girl where push things in them bottom, and them have a man where push things in them bottom. And the man they have somebody who push something in a film bottom, and him push something in somebody else's bottom, and everybody have put one bag of pushing and one bag of disease and one bag of crosses. See? And everybody just goes up and does. You see me? Things up to them and them they even know. And the doctor does see them so every other week them a come and like when we see it and like, oh I catch a STD from my boyfriend and I got medication and I got all of this for it and it's still not clearing up. I want to know where and she now looking at herself and she say, you dirty man where you there with. Him have the infection and him continue to get the infection, but he was so fool. That's you go take care of yourself. And him not go take care of himself. So him continue to get the disease. Him continue to get the disease and I know you know because you so damn fool. You get everything for clear it up, but him not clear up. Because that's why you have to know your body. Know your body. Before you choose counseling to somebody else, try counseling with yourself first. Try self-counseling first because the people in my counseling are going to ask you what's the issue. And we have to go sit down and talk to them. Talk to yourself first. That's the first form of counseling that. Talk to yourself first. Talk to yourself first before you go pay money to talk to other people. Because you go just sit down and then you go say to the person, say, well, miss, it's hard to deal with. I cannot have a conversation with him. He always try to overtalk me. And he always this and that. And then he might go say, well, miss, every time I try to explain that how I feel, she don't want to listen how I feel. And the person that just there and listen and listen. And you have to learn how to talk to one another first. Because counseling not going to help you, not just waste your money. So when I just sit down there, talk to one person where just listen. You have that already. So save your money first. You have to talk to yourself first. So, I ask you now a question. Anybody can write us so? Is anyone on this page right now in love? Or have you ever been in love? You know what it is like to be in love? How long you have been in love? Or how long did the love last? And when did you know that you're no longer in love? How long did it take for you to find out that you are in love? Or how long you find out say you fell out of love? But I don't talk about that right now. Because love, nice, you know. I mean, know what it is like to be in love and be loved. So, make we talk. I'm in love with myself right now. I no longer love anyone. That I do it sweet, say that. Come now. I have been in love over 5 years now. Yes, I am in love for 10 years now. Never looked at another man since we met. There's truly a fine line between love and hate. Love and hate shall never be friends so long. Here I come. Love is a beautiful feeling when someone check up on you through the day to see if you are right. Did you eat? Did you make it home safe? You can tell by the actions, not some words. Are 3 people in love out of 200 odd people? I joke this. May I come off? May I come off? I think love sweet me. I've been in love before and it was a feeling of high happiness. I know I was in love when I realized I was willing to take the risk of getting hurt by this person. Been in love over 13 years now, and the few little disagreements we had is not enough for me to give this. It's not enough for me to give up this. You see that one here? Away can. That one here me like. That one here. Jesus Christ. That one here. See it there? I've been in love over 13 years now, and the few little disagreements we have is not enough for me to give this up. I'm in love with my husband, the father of my children. Jesus Christ. When you hear how that sounds sweet? When you hear how that sounds sweet? Hear that wicked here? Nobody not in love. I ensure them one. Hey, you're wicked, you know. You're wicked, you know. Hear what wicked Kimali. Wicked Kimali say we love her go. British Rose say I found it after a failed relationship. Took the time out for myself and it just came to me. Very caring guy who loves me. Jesus Christ. Some people don't even know what is love. And that is right. Because enough people never get that feeling there yet. Somebody never make them feel secure yet. So yeah, when you're in love, disagreements are go there. So how are you willing for work and get past the disagreement? Because trust me, some people go through some things in their life and it's rough. Where a life-changing decision make and you still forgive that person there. It take a whole heap. A whole heap it take. I am married and been married 13 years. We've been together for 15 years. But I have my moments where I cannot stand him. And I show he cannot stand me. But we're not giving up. Jesus Christ, that song. Oh, sweet, he come brush me like a mango. Oh, that sounds so sweet. Jesus Christ. Wanna hear? So do it sweet, say, I have a problem, I don't know how to accept love. That is another thing too. Because people have a fear. I might get hurt by somebody already. And you say, boy, you're afraid. You're so scared. But what you have to do? You have to give it a chance. Don't cry, cause it's over now. Don't cry, things are better now. I will give you everything you need. You can always count on me. Give it a chance. Katie, what you say about love thing? Come talk to me, because you don't answer all now, you know. Talk to me about love thing. What you say about love thing, you know? You ever been in love? You ever felt love? You ever given love? And how did you know that you was in love? Come talk to me. One thing you know is a woman is very vocal, you know. You know, letting everybody know your business, but you're vocal when you're ready. Say your thing. You're not alone. No, no, no. I know it's gonna hurt your heart again. And this I know. You can count on me, I'll be there as your friend. Give it all you got. I'm ball out like my name Sanchez. Paper. Me, of course, I have been in love. Me in love right now. Right now, me in love. Love nice and love hot. Remember, say here, Jonah Kelly tell us, say, love, if love so nice, tell me why it hurts so bad. Love nice. Love will make you feel like you're there on cloud 9. Like you're there in a moon. That's why I'm telling you, say, fuck pan hot. And it make you bawl. And go in your feelings and cry. Whoa! It make you all out. Katie said she thinks she was in love there and she find out say it was spirit tech. Sometimes I might all gas or running belly. Remember, say love with us make you just a smile randomly from you to your out here, so you smile. You just a smile about it, so. Yeah, but love come with respect still. Remember, love come with respect, you know. Love come with respect because we have to have respect for a person to really love them or be in love with them. Because some people, you can't love everybody, but you only can be in love with one person. You can't be in love with 2 and 3 persons. You only can be in love with one person. So when you hear a person tell a man tell a woman say, I'm in love with you, because remember, you know, enough man not show them emotions like, oh, me can talk freely and express and say, baby, I'm in love with you. Are you me want there with me? No want no more woman. Are you? Richie down the butterfly thing they still there about. If the butterfly thing them there about, me not really see butterfly again like that, you know. But some bubbles coming in your belly. See? Some weight name they coming in your belly. So a lot of people say them love, but them not really respect the person where them say them love. Because if you love a person and then you don't respect them. Like, come on, we could talk about it. Respect is a thing where you have to respect your partner. You have a woman and you don't respect her. When I say respect her, you try to protect her from everything. And when I say protect her, you protect her from embarrassment, you protect her from disaster, you protect her from... Yes, a man can love 2 women, but him can be in love with one. Him can't have the same feeling for the 2 women them. See? Some man express themselves with gifts. And I say I saw him show him love. But me is a man where I know say me in love with a woman. Me not a limit when time it come on to. Like me not have to wonder if I do something for her. If you have to wonder if you have to do something for a woman, you're not in love with her. You don't really want certain ties. You know, hear me say the butterfly them there, the bubbles me have. Kimali said me for ask, would you rather respect or loyalty? We're not going to know if people loyal. We can't know if people loyal. Me can't answer that question there. We cannot know if somebody is loyal. How you know if somebody is loyal and when shit hit the fan. Or when you buck your foot. At them time they know about loyalty. Because a person will say them love your butt. But loyalty, because denial is another thing we mash up a whole heap of people, you know. Denial. Some people know what it is from day one, but they're living in denial. So how would you know if you're in love with one? Then you have the feeling where you have the same feeling towards. Alright. A man will have 2 and 3 women. One of them, I'm sexually attracted to that one. When I say sexually attracted, like as him see her, him have a high nature for her, him just want to tear off her clothes. And go on with her some whole heap away. While him have a next one, where they in him yard where she not too into certain things. And him a try get some things out of her and she just stuck up it now come out. So it's like that one you're willing for just take any risk with him. So she give him the hide where him a look for from the one in him yard. So each time him get the hide from the one in him yard, him go home, go try practice on the one in him yard. The one I road give him the hide and him go a road and I say, John, my wife. You know, so we want to try some new things. And we want to try this and we want to try that. And she said, I ain't them something there now. I ain't them something there. And she just shut down everything. She just shut down everything. So each time he might try go into her, she a push him back over out the road. She a push him back. So certain conversation I figure have. A man will love a woman for her brain, you know. While the next man love a woman because of the style and what she give him. She can turn pan it, she can twist pan it. So the sexual attraction we have to her. See, him have that sexual attraction the way him have to her. Enough man come home with all a scent. Because him smell it pan a woman and him say me that love that scent upon him wife. And you know the wife do have problem with him and say a girl yard him go. Him smell it, you know, not necessarily say a bun him go give her, you know. A woman just pass and have on a fragrance and it smell good. It smells so good that him want to feel woman. When him and her go out, people are look on her and say, what are she wearing? So him asks that woman the way just walk past and say, Miss, could I ask you a question, please? Could you tell me what brand perfume is that? And she tell him one long name and him go in him phone and say, could you type it in here for me, please? And him go look for it for him wife. And when him bring it, go give the wife. Because him want to smell, the wife no do nothing more than cause a big war and big problem. How you gonna smell this pan? How you gonna smell this pan? Right away, shut down. So him just know him have him next girl. When him have him next girl, him just buy it for him next girl. Why you think that some man, everything when him buy, for him outer road girl, him buy it for him woman a yard? Because him want the woman a yard smell exactly like the woman a road. Him want get that something from the woman a yard. Him want everything when him get outer road in a yard. And now get it. Remember them always that tell us say, man sex, who them can sex, and woman sex, who them want. Lie that. A man will show you who him want indirectly. Even though him don't post him woman, the chemistry with him and that woman they have. Remember this, you know. Enough woman, when them just meet, them and the man used to have a nice, fun relationship. But from children coming and play now, them no remember how to have fun again. Them no remember how to do this. Everybody just take up work. And work and work and work. You have to try to get back the things that will make the relationship nice. You know, like a computer, where after a while it needs memory. And after a while you have to update your phone. Like you have the phone and you have to update and you have to do this and you have to do that. So you have to update the relationship. You have to refresh it. Because after a while you have to refresh back the whole of the thing then. So you now can get back 20 years. But you just do some things where similar to the 20 years and make the thing work. RJ Mama. Good afternoon. You hide my pitney from me. And that you do. I'll know me can't hold a vibes with the pitney. Wicked. All I do is dress up the pitney and put him on social media and I show off. And I make me can't see my son. Stop hide my son from me. Wicked. Stop hide my son. More I'm a pitney. Big weekend. Me I'm a pitney for a par. And me a run and him a run me down and me a run him down. And we are going and we can't get me some pitney. Free up me youth. See? We are some man call me bank man. People. When you're there with somebody and you have the feeling there with them, it's nice. It's nice, bad. But you have to want that something the feet work. Remember, you know, a girl, only thing she have about her, some girl only thing them have about them can sex good. Them gag reflex is great. Them short is excellent. Them know how to stop them breath and some whole heap of something. Them have something about them where them are pro upon that. But everything else, otherwise from sex, it's nothing. Them not have nothing. And I like say, them can cook good. And I like say, them can dress good. And I like say, but the sex is great. And when you look at your wife in the yard now, you say, boy, I wish my wife could have done that. I wish my wife would have done that. See? And you just wish, but you try to tell her in so much sense, but she's so naive. She's so naive that she don't want to hear nothing. You have to listen. If your man come to you and tell a certain thing, you're your man. Because guess what I know? A woman will say a man on the internet and like him. She don't like him to give him her front, you know. She just say him sexy and him nice. And she wants to tell. You know, say that man they look good. You know as a man where she a tell this, you know. You vex now because you say she a watch another man. Then you know see girl where you like and I say them sexy. Yeah, your woman supposed to sit down and have them conversation there. These are conversations where your woman supposed to sit down and have, you know. But as I say, insecurity again. You have to remember, where the man see na you, him see something in you where him want for a lifetime. Him see something in you, something about you where him see. And where you see now, you ever see some woman with a man yet? And you wonder what them do together? And them alone know where them do together. Him know him see na she, because them not compatible none at all. Because you say, she short and film head big and wow. Let me see some people when they're ready for class, people on the internet. Or if you look at somebody on the internet and that about, him look like him mouth stink. Or if you look, oh somebody will look like them mouth stink, like, and we cost the worst, you know. Nobody can trace like we, you know. Like people just comment back and say, him look like him mouth stink. Jesus Christ. But his mouth might stink to you, while his mouth smells sweet to she. She love every saliva in her mouth. And you hate him. You don't know him, you know. You don't know him. Alright. Hey, you see you, Shani. One thing, you see anybody when I see use a word, I know say them bright. That word is one big word. Love is nice until you're not getting back the same reciprocity or reciprocity. Jesus Christ, see that word there? Reciprocity. Jesus Christ, that word there big and sound sweet. Let me say it again. Reciprocity. Hey, a big word that you know. And another thing, some of us men, we are not good with big words. And that is fine. So as a female, you're supposed to teach your man all of these words more than cuss him in a big word. See, I know nothing if we don't know the big words them as a man. I know nothing if we don't know the big words them. I know nothing. I know nothing. We're supposed to. You're supposed to learn from your partner learn from you. We're supposed to learn. Because you're there with your partner. Me not want my woman teach me things when that means that nobody can come style me. It's not all about sex. Hey, I pay bright people depend on something, you know. See it there again, Jesus Christ. See the word there again, Jesus Christ. That word is nice, me like it. See it there? What you say? Reciprocate. Jesus Christ. That word is sweet. Hey, tell me another big word. Tell me another big word. Want to give me another big word? That word is nice, Jesus Christ. That word is sweet. Me not business. That word is sweet. Reciprocate. Me like it. Me like that word there. Yo, the text that a big name. Me see it. Yeah, hey, come here. Me like that word there. Hey, give me another big word. And that me I tell you now. Words supposed to get you exciting. When you say, what I read the name what? Sapiosexual. Sapiosexual. And what kind of word that? Sapiosexual. Sapiosexual. And what kind of word that? What's the meaning of can't stay there and feel like we have smartphone for nothing about you. Everything good. What's the meaning of sapiosexual? Yeah, that dirty word, yeah. I never say Sophia sexual, I say Sophia sexual. Because watch what this tell me right here, so. But Sophie sexual. I never say Sophie, I say Sophia sexual. Because this come tell me about when a female is attracted to a female called Sophie. Hey, that's why I can't follow everything, you know. Yo, I stress them, I stress me out. Oh, them after me say Sophia sexual, them come tell me about Sophie when a female is in love with a next girl named Sophie. Hey, who not stress me? Who not stress me? Let me tell you this, people. I love to learn. Words are thing where it sounds sweet to me. See? And that's why I always say, I want there with a girl from France. See? I want there with a girl from France. Because French language, I think it's a sexy language. I believe the French language is the sexiest language ever. See? Because, remember when Miss Elliot say, Philippe Vauchelet have les voix. I don't know what she say, you know? I don't know what she say. But it does sound so sweet. I love it. I said, Jesus Christ, I want a girl come Philippe Vauchelet for a vie. I want a girl come tell me something in Philippe Vauchelet, blah, 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 blah. Because I say, yo, in a Jamaica, where I say a girl and I say, I want to you. And me if you live in your belly for 9 months straight, you know. I want to you. Me if you dig up your okey dokey pokey, you know. I want to you. And you tell her that. And it sounds sweet to her. She say, easy, and laugh. But you can imagine. A girl in a French, you say, I want to you. Me if you have Philippe Vauchelet for the video, you know. And I tell her, she say, nice. I scream. And ball out. See? Me just say, see? Me just say the word does sound sweet. Alright, you see all the Asian language. Me just think the Asian language sexy too. Me just think it's sexy. You can't go and laugh off of me. I love it. You can't go and laugh off of me. The Asian language sexy too. You laugh and laugh off of me. Everything, Chris, man. Can you have a girl and she talk to you in a Asian language, in a Creole? See? And she tell us, say, she come. And I say, ma fini. my Finny. And I talk to you a lot. Hey, Jesus Christ. Oh, God. Oh, God. Need for your French language. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
It was a joke, Richie. I'm not a drunk. Oh, okay. So you gotta get me to talk when I'm drunk.
What? What you
I'm
up?
just saying a joke.
Why you?
About we have a conversation,
Yeah.
and then you sing to me, and you give me nice lyrics.
Me I try you the French language. Jesus Christ, I feel it, man. Vana. I hear it.
Why are you making me?
Me I look for the French language and can't find the French language. Jesus Christ. Oh, me for add. Diamond. I would them say me for that. I hear some nice language. When I feel like when I can trick my boy, yeah. Oh, me at. When they go live. See, Asian come talk to me right now. But them when I love my language, remember me love my language, you know, but me I say it's nice to hear other language.
Sure.
Wagwan.
Yo, Richie feelings, Wagwan. Sava?
Which language this year go do now?
Salut. Yeah, man,
So,
you can't get French,
if
anything.
I see a girl, I want to ask her for some punani. How do I ask her in French to have sex with her?
Yeah.
Yo, the man get shy and come off. Do this. The man come off of the live. I do this. The man not ready. Yo, where people must, where you should know over here? Any different any other language? Somebody come on, no, man. I hear something, man. Come on, man. You not stress me out now, man. You can't do this to me. I want to talk to woman in a different language. Remember one time gone, you know, and I don't want a Canadian come on and I talk about, I'm Canadian, eh? I know you're Canadian, eh? I don't want a British to come say, is it? In it? You're having a laugh. I don't want to hear about no mates. I don't want to hear about no blokes. I don't want to hear about no geezer. I don't want to hear about no wanker. I don't want to hear about nothing like that. I want a Caribbean person come sing, come talk to me. You understand? So, one of them. I can't bother with the when I come shy out my thing. I want to learn. I want to learn. Come no man, you not teach me nothing, man. Me I talk to you on a reason every day. I want not teach me nothing. I can't tell you now if I make me go listen or learn some of the language them, you know. Every day, she or au revoir or all of them word there. Come no man. So when you realize them say, be a Jamaican people depend this, no other nation no over here. Download what name? Babe. B-A-B. Download Babe. Nobody over here. You sound wicked to me. All on the day I don't. Me I tell you all of this something them. I know me want to learn something from you. And nobody no want to teach me nothing. Yeah, but I which part of Canada in a chef? The one them will live down in Montreal, Ottawa. Them can speak the French language, you know. So anybody from Ottawa there? Canadian people me love so much. Oh, Babel. Bebel is something name. Bebel. Okay. Tanisha, the whole of we can speak from what name there. Here 50 Shades of Happiness. Joke this. Nobody over here want to come give me a local language, teach me something. Me have to learn that from my own. Man say call come in and cut him off. Alright. Give him back a blind. Where him there? How him there? Alright. So we'll go back live with him here. Sky Star Music. Yes, you done it me long time. You have all my number, you dash it away. Yeah, man, Mrs. speak French good enough. Mrs. speak French very well. Mrs. speak French very well. My daughter, when the add it, I'm going to try add him. Add back the live in a 3 minute. Man, decline. Paper. Canadian people. I need a girl from Canada. A Canadian girl. Come in. Sky Star, you have my number. So, use it when you're done. Paper. I can't believe so the whole I want to depend on this and nobody now teach me nothing. I want to hear somebody think them. I don't want to look like me an idiot when I go away. I want to look like I'm nice when I can speak different language. Everybody who can speak a different language, big up on yourself. Trust me, big up on yourself. Anybody who can speak a different language, because remember when them say a black man, them try to chat to it. Them try to chat to, you know, and say things about we, you know. But now, we can use our phone. But it's best if we know first hand. That means when we hear them attack. That's why I tell you, say, major hype. Major hype of the whole of the Caribbean. Pat, big up yourself, major hype. Big up yourself, major hype. Big up yourself. Everybody have them crosses where them have to go through, and you go through your crosses and you bounce back 10 times stronger. Big up yourself, major hype. Big up all of the Caribbean people, them. Big up on yourself. And everybody will go foreign and mix up now on yourself. Big up on yourself. Jesus Christ. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, on respect all. Everybody go through them crosses. Everybody have them 6 o'clock. Munchi said, Jevin Acela. Jevin Acela mean me a come in French. Oh, that sounds so nice. Jevin Acela mean me a come in French. Only just see how me look happy when me see the word them, how them sound sweet. Only just see my face. Jevin Acela. Sailor, Sealer, Holy Manuel like Queen Selassie, Jack. Hey! Oh, it sounds so sweet! Jesus Christ! Oh, you saw the word sound sweet! Me have to learn that word there, Jesus Christ! Yo, the word there sound sweet. Jevins, Asesela, or Venice baggy job. Venice baggy job. Venice baggy job. Jesus Christ. I have to learn that word there. I have to learn that word there. You can't trick me. I have to learn that word there. Probably people will say me I'm mad. Me no business. Lord me make me mad. Me I'm mad. Lord me make me mad. At least me I'm mad in peace. Make me mad. The word nicey, man. Jesus Christ. Me need some other word. Me have to study them word. Me have to Google. Alright? Watch this now. Let me try off a Google, because that we have smartphone for. We have, one of the things that just to go on internet alone, you have smartphone for. I am coming in French.
In French, you would say, J'arrive.
I want to have sex with you in French.
In French, that's Je veux coucher avec toi.
Jesus Christ! My tongue are tied up. Tell me again. I want to have sex with you in French.
In French, that's Je veux du sexe avec toi.
Je veux sexe avec toi. Jesus Christ! Your right sound good. Jesus Christ! Tell me it one more time. I want to have sex with you in French.
In French, that's Je veux coucher avec toi.
Je veux coucher avec toi. Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ, you're there. Oh, them to chat to me now. Oh, them to chat to me now. I want to have sex with you in Creole.
Here is your translation.
So tell me now. Tell me now. I want to have sex with you in Spanish.
In Spanish, you would say Quiero tener sexo contigo.
Oh, that sounds so. I want to have sex with you in Spanish.
In Spanish, you would say Quiero tener sexo contigo.
Si yo contento, so continuo. There's so much. Oh, that sounds so long. I don't like what I want the song. I don't like what I want the song. It's too long. I want to have sex with you in Jamaican. So tell me now, or you not tell me. I tell you, you write it out, but you not tell me. Jesus Christ. You don't hear the French sound. I want to have sex with you in French.
In French, you would say Je veux coucher avec toi.
Tu veux coucher avec moi. Hey, dirty people. You can't chat to me. You can't chat to me. You can't chat to me. Me have the nice word them here now. Jesus Christ. Them can't chat to me now. Oh, if you chat to me, I'm going to learn a new word. Me going to learn a new word. Jesus Christ. Let me study it again. I want to have sex with you in French.
In French, you would say Je veux coucher avec toi.
Je veux coucher avec toi. Je veux coucher avec toi. Je veux coucher avec toi. Jesus Christ. Them can't chat to me, I know. Me made it, I know. Oh, them to chat to me, Katie, me find it. Shani, me say me find it. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Say, I love you in Creole.
Here is your translation.
So, you're not talking in Creole, you're not talking to me and tell me something, man. Say, I love you in Asian.
In Chinese, you would say 我爱你.
Oh, that sounds so. Say, I want to have sex with you in Japanese language. I want to have sex with you in Chinese.
In Chinese, that's 我想和你做爱.
Hey, that sounds so. I want to have sex with you in Chinese.
In Chinese, you would say 我想和你做爱.
We so honey, so I. Oh, me so honey, love you long time. Jesus Christ. Oh, me so honey, love you long time. Oh, that sounds so. I want to have sex with you in Chinese.
In Chinese, you would say 我想和你做爱.
Oh, me so honey, love you long time. Oh, forward. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I know them decks. On them decks, I know. I know them decks. Can you learn my sex language them when you can't chat to me? I know it a bun on now. I know. Jesus Christ, I'm not glad for me. You're not glad for me. Jesus Christ, see that? You're not, hey. Say dirty spice in Chinese. Say dirty spice in Japanese.
In Japanese, you would say "kitanai spice."
Jesus Christ! Dirty spice! Dirty spice! You see it? She done. Say dirty spice in Japanese.
In Japanese, that's sono spice.
Sono spice! Okay, dirty spice! Sono spice! People! Dirty spice! She can't chat to me. She can't chat to me, Jamaica. Me find it. That's why I got cuss the girl in every different language, you know. You can't believe this. Jesus Christ. No, you can't chat to me. You can't chat to me. Let me say it again. Dirty spice in Mexican. A food that come up. Me don't want a food to come up. Watch ya. A food that come up. Me don't want a food come up. Me don't want a food come up. What am I saying up food for? Say dirty spice in French.
In French, you would say "dis sale spice."
Dirty spice. Hear that? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. People who have to use up with social media. We have to use up with social media. We not do the right thing. We not do the right thing. We not do the right thing, people. Hold on, people. We not do the right thing. We really not do the right thing.